हो ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମ
My lord,
Item
item
37.
61, my lord.
Huh?
Item 61. Item 61, my lord, of today's.
61 କିଏ ଅଛି ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି
Man, state ଅଛି.
ହଁ
State.
ଆଉ ଅଲଗା କିଏ ନାହିଁ ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ଅଲଗା ଥାଉଛି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବୋଲିକି ଗଳି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
But
61 ଷ୍ଟେଟ
my learned senior is on accommodation, my lord.
ଆଜି କମ କାଇଁ ଲଗାଇଲା 100ଟା ଉପରେ ଲଗାଇବା ପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲି
Item 37 not pressed, man.
37 not pressed 37 not pressed ଦେଖ ଫଟାଫଟ 37 not pressed
My lord,
Ma'am.
61, my lord.
I'll file it.
61 କଣ
My learned senior is on accommodation, my lord.
ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଖାଲି ପାର୍ଟି
Yes, yes. My regional officer chair.
ମାଇ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭେନସନ ଛାଡ଼ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅନ୍ 18
My lord, after 22, my lord.
okay after 22 25th
20.
Pardon to mention a writ, my lord.
48, my
This
lord.
matter was
ରୁହ ଟିକେ
Item 48.
48 କଣ
One week after we are transfer brief, we are appearing today.
ट्रांसफर भी ଗୋଟେ ରିଜନ କି ସାର୍ ଏଡଜନ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ ଏଡଜନ ମାଗିଲେ କୌଣସି ଏଡଜନ ବିନା କଷ୍ଟ ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି ସବୁଥିରେ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇ 500 150 ଟଙ୍କା ପଛେ ଲଗେଇବି ଲଗେଇବି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ
Today we will
ଆଉ
appear.
ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି ଆପଣ ସବୁବେଳେ ଏଇଟା କଣ ପୁରୁଣା ମେଟର ଗୁଡାକ 17 14 15 ମେଟର ଗୁଡାକ ବାର ବାର ଇଏ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଖରାପ ଲାଗୁନି ଆମେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ସାରିବୁ ଆପଣ ରେଡି ନାହାନ୍ତି
Today we will appear, my lord.
ତ ଆପଣ ଏପିୟର କରନ୍ତୁ
Next week also.
Huh?
1 week after also.
କେବେ ଅଛି କେବେ
48.
ଏଇଟା 49
48.
48 लिखिदियो वन वीक आफ्टर देखिदियो 17 दे दियो 17
Right.
17
My lord, item 51, my lord.
51
I prefer tomorrow, my lord.
आज कहाँ ला सुधा
Yeah, I'm not feeling well, man.
you are feeling well now you are comfortable we are here then you can आपण मेंशन कर सिंदी परे किड मेंशन कलानी 24th अछि जान दो 24th now I hope will be well हां बोलो
Item.
फ्री कर दो
Pardon, my lord. I'm on behalf
घर
of.
को पड़ा
I wish you a happy new year, my lord.
wish you a happy new year and healthy new year
Healthy.
okay
I am for opposite party. Only the vacation that bank has to take instruction. I have appeared. My name may be reflected. So it is required some 2 weeks time because it is complicated issue.
okay 32 weeks time लिख दे opposite party कोई छिंदी काकी अछि
Petition I have intimated.
opposite party की कोई
No, I am for opposite party.
तो opposite आपण को opposite party ଗୋଟେ
Petitioner I have intimated.
ସେଇ ତ
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ଆପଣ
that-
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ହେଲା ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ହବନି
I have intimated.
ବହୁତ ହି ଅପୋଜିଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଘୋଷି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଅପୋଜିଟ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପଛରେ ତଳେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ସେ ଖାଲି ଅପୋଜିଟ
ନାଇଁ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅପୋଜିଟ ସିଟ୍ ହବନି
No, I have
ଫିର କେବେ ତାକୁ ଜଣେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆସୁ
Pardon, my lord.
ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆସୁ
My
Yes.
lord, item number 58. I'm on behalf of Mr. Pati. It's the matter.
ଆରେ ୟାର କେତେ ମାଗୁଛ ଛାଡ ବସି
She can adjourn for next week, my lord.
58 ରେ କିଏ ଅଛି ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି
Opposite party. Last time nobody appeared for this opposite party there, sir.
58 ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ପାର୍ଟି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଟିମେଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ନେବି
Lordship, last
without
time.
intimating I'll not adjourn anything I've told you opposite party को आनिबे से बिजरा बसी आसी बसिथिबो दिन रात त आपण पळिबो
Last time ki appear ही.
बिल्कुल नहीं न हेले भी आपण आसी कहबे सेतेबेले मैटर जले पहुंचबा कहबे नले मु नंबर नोट करतो न एडजन कर दो होला आ बिना एकर हबन होला
Okay.
I may be pardoned to mention, Your Lordship. One CMP restoration petition.
सर केते थरा आपण मेंशन टाइम अछि you should follow the time tomorrow not today today is over होला आपण कोन
Your Lordship, pardon to make a mention for modification of order.
मॉडिफिकेशन ऑर्डर काल लगे दियो होला मॉडिफिकेशन ऑर्डर काल ओके
Item
नेक्स्ट
number 1. Item number 1.
1 non APS
Yes,
this
my
matter
lord, I am
March
on the same.
4th next 2
Item number 2.
non APS
No.
ajandi
Here I challenge the order of the
order of
London special.
Number 29/22, judgment dated 7th October 23 for set aside the order passed by the JMFC cum Gramya Nyadhikari Raghunathpur in GR case number 57/20 regarding convict the opposite party number 2 under
this is
section
only for abusing in filthy language
Miller abusing and filthy language and damage my boundary wall, Miller.
damage the
By
boundary then
Miller.
then what is
Miller,
the punishment
Miller 2 years punishment.
2 years
I am the informant, Miller, and the
so what is your problem
Millard, Lawrence Session Judge set aside the order of the JMFC cum Brahman Nyadhikari in
Oh.
GR case number 57 by 2020.
So you want him to punish
Milord,
enhancement?
Milord.
Se kaun
Milord,
kale?
no, the order was set aside by the Session Judge Jagatsinghpur, Milord. Again,
Huh?
Milord,
Se order kodi achi dekhantu.
Milord, kindly have a glance to the
Session
Milord
Judge.
Ronnie. Milord. Milord, may kindly come to the page number running page 37, annex of 3, Milord.
Just a minute, sir. Let me go through this one. He has rightly passed order. I don't find anything wrong in the order of the learned session
Milord,
judge.
Milord, is
Just because you
damaging
want
my
him to
boundary.
send to jail, that doesn't mean that every
No,
court will
Milord.
just abide by
Milord,
your wish.
Milord, at least on point of law, Milord.
What is the point of law? You could not prove, sir. What damage we have sustained, you could not prove.
Milord, there is
କାନ୍ଥ
a
ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା
boundary
ଗୋଟେ
wall, Milord.
ଇଟାଟେ ପଡିଗଲା କାନ୍ଥ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା
Milord,
ହେଇଗଲା।
no, Milord, no, that is Milord
50
damage
ଟଙ୍କା
of
ବି
my
ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ
boundary
ହେଇନି
wall,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ତାକୁ ଠିକ କରିବା।
Milord, Milord, that is the
ଲେଖିଛି
boundary
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ।
damage of
50 ଟଙ୍କା ବି
yes,
ଆପଣ
Milord.
ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ବାଡକୁ ଠିକ କରିବାରେ। 50
Milord,
ଟଙ୍କାରୁ କମ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଇଛି। ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ
Milord,
ଆପଣ
that
କଣ
is
ପାଇଁ
Milord, that at least
ସରି
notice
ସରି
me.
ସରି ସରି
Milord, Milord, kindly taken time, Milord. On
What?
physical mode, I will hear in the mic.
Okay, come on physical mode କେବେ? It is
Milord,
ବଢିଆ ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ତ ଆପଣ ସେଇଥିରେ କହିବେ ନହେଲେ physical mode ରେ ଆସିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ନେଇଯିବେ। वाह
no,
बढ़िया
Milord,
ट्रिक
no,
है
7 days physical time. Physical, 7 days.
କିଛି ହେବନି ଯାହା କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ସେଟା ହିଁ ହେବ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିବି ମାନେ କରିବି
Milord,
ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିବି ଲେଖିଲାନ୍ତୁ
Milord,
କିଛି ନାହିଁ
Milord.
ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି କଥା ହାତ ଗୋଡକୁ ଇଟା ଦୁଇଟା ପଡିଗଲା ବେଳେ କାନ୍ଥ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା
Milord, by means of tractor, Milord. By means
ଆପଣ
of
କେତେ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଇଛି ମତେ ଟିକେ କହିଲେ କେତେ
Milord,
ଟଙ୍କା ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଲା
Milord, more than 2,000 to 3,000. As is a brick wall, Milord, by
ଆଉ
means
ଠିକ
of
ଅଛି
a
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ 2000
tractor.
ଟଙ୍କା ସେ ଦେଇଦେବ ଗଲା ହେଲା ମୁଁ ତ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରି 2000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଦେବ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଲା ଗଲା ଏତେ ଅନେସେରୀ ତାପରେ ପଛରେ କାହିଁ ଜେଲ ପଠେଇବେ he'll pay you 2000 rupees I'll pass order I'll modify to that extent only ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ 2000 ଟଙ୍କା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଇଛି ନା
Milord, 2,000. It is admitted fact that is a
Okay, 2000
bricks
rupees ଦେଇଦେବ ଗଲା okay କେବେ when are you comfortable
Milord, may 1 week after.
okay 1 week after 17 January 17 January
Deep low
17
price,
January
Milord. Deep.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଅବ୍ୟୁଜ ଅଫ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଚଲେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ନାଟକ ଚଲେଇଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି କଣ ଟିକେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଳା ଦେଇଦେଲା ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେ ସେଇ ପୁଣି ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଚୁପଚାପ ଘରେ ରହିଲେ ତମ ପରେ ପଡୋଶୀ ହଁ
Now
you
they are threatening now.
you can't change your Padosi, sir. Padosi will be there forever.
Milord, I
So
admit it.
always live with peace. Otherwise,
Milord,
you'll be in trouble.
Milord.
Next,
Item number 3.
3.
Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Aniruddha Das, kindly taken up the matter after 1 week.
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେନି କି କଣ ଅଛି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେନି କଣ ଅଛି
Challenging the maintenance order.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ମ ରେଡି ନ ଆସିବ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି କରିବି
Lordship,
ଆଉ ଅନ୍
challenging the
ବିହାଫ୍ ଅଫ୍ କିଏ
maintenance
ସିଏ
order
କଲମ ନ
passed by
ଚଲେଇବେ
the
ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ କଣ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଅର୍ଡର ଯଦି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ଥିବ ମୁଁ ଆରେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେବି ସିମ୍ପଲ ଥିବ ମୁଁ କରିଦେଉଛି
Annex
ହେଲା
1, Lordship.
ଆରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି
Challenging the maintenance order passed by the learned JMA.
40,000 ହେଇଥିଲା କଣ କରନ୍ତି
40,000.
ପିଲା କଣ କରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ
Textile business.
ବିଜନେସ୍ 40,000 କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ମାସିକ ଇନକମ୍ ହୁଏ ଏନି ଆଇଡିଆ
Monthly.
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା
That I Mr.
ହଉ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ what is your name
Lordship, Khogeshwar Beher.
okay sir
Khogeshwar Beher.
Behra okay issue notice to the opposite party uh, by registered post you're for the petitioner right
It is
you're from Chhattisgarh your wife is from Sambalpur
symbol.
okay so issue notice to the opposite party by registered post because it may file within 3 working days from today 3 दिन भीतर फाइल कर दो है what is your name लिख दो प्रोफेसर बेहरा लिख दो on behalf of Aniruddha Das next
Item number 4.
4
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes
My lord, here in this case, the present petitioners are the wife and the minor son of the opposite party number 1, my lord. My lord,
The wife of the
opposite party number 1, husband,
one and minor son.
minor
They
son.
both are petitioner.
Both are the
Fine.
petitions. And my lord, they are aggrieved by the order dated 11/10/2023 passed by First Additional Session Judge Raulkela Sundargarh in Criminal Appeal number 34 of 2023, my lord.
Which order? Yes.
Aggrieved by the order dated 11/10/23. Criminal
Annexure.
annexure, my lord. It is an annexure 3, my lord.
The 3. Annexure 3.
My lord. Annexure 3.
So how are you aggrieved?
Aggrieved, my lord. My lord, by setting aside, they are setting aside the order dated 27/10/22, which is passed by SDJM
Panpost.
Panpost. My lord,
Kete tanga deyଥିଲେ se?
SDJM Panpost passed an order regarding that to pay maintenance of 3,000 to the wife and 3,000 to the. They are
3,000 to the wife and 3,000 to the
my
child.
lord. At the fag end, when the order has been passed, they filed this criminal appeal regarding that there is no jurisdiction to file this order, my lord.
What do you mean?
My lord, in the meantime, there is another court established, that is on Biromitrapur.
Oh, but okay, you are saying the jurisdiction of the court.
Again.
So that court should not have passed. That's
At
what
the fag end, when the order has been passed, here in this case, this petitioners file one CRLMC before this Honorable High Court. Honorable High Court passed a direction to conclude the proceeding within 6 months. To the said court, that is passed the order, SDJM Panpost to conclude the proceeding within 6 months.
Okay.
In the meantime, the husband examined and wife also examined at PW1 and the said order has been passed. No one challenged that there is no jurisdiction. But at the when the final order passed, that is on 2017, after that this appeal is filed that this court having no jurisdiction. The jurisdiction is with one Biromitrapur. But my lord, that is the admitted fact. Admitted fact is that after opening of the said court, that is on 3/5/22, my lord.
The matter was earlier filed before the Panpost,
Panpost.
JMFC Panpost.
But 2019 no file hitla.
Then the new
2000
court was established.
22
The matter transferred to that court.
ट्रांसफर ହେଇନି ଏଇଠି ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଚରିକି ସରି
ଚାଲିଛି
ଯାଇଛି
ଏଇଠି ନା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯୋଉଟା ଅଧା ଚାଲିଥିବ ସେଟା କାଇଁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେବ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପୁଣି ଅନରେବଲ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟଙ୍କର ବି ଅର୍ଡର ଥିଲା ଯେ ସେଇ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଯେ 6 ମନ୍ଥ ଭିତରେ କନକ୍ଲୁଡ ଏଇନା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଆଲାଉ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଅନରେବଲ ଆଡିସନାଲ ସେସନ ଜଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ କି ପୁଣି ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ହବା ପାଇଁ ଆଉଥରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଣ ପାଇଁ?
already that proceeding is concluded. We are not in.
The proceeding is still pending there.
नहीं sorry गलानी 3,000 husband को 3,000 wife को और minor को दवा पे हिची that is in annexed.
You are for the
Wife. I am for the wife.
Let notice be issued. We'll see. Hala. Issue notice to OP number. OP number कितने?
One. They all are in-laws. OP number 1 is the husband.
OP number 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mine.
By registered post. Because it's within 3 days. Huh? Because it's within 3 days. What's the matter on 30th January?
My lord, in the meantime, stay a further proceeding in.
Okay, stay for the post. I file question.
Again, 882 of 23. I number.
882 of 23. ठीक.
Obliged.
Next.
Item number 5.
5.
May I please, your lordship? My lords, by profession, my lord, the petitioner is a junior advocate under District Bar Association, Koraput.
Is it necessary to be told?
No, I'm just.
Is it necessary?
No, I'm sorry.
So why are you saying all this?
Yes.
Do you think because of his advocate you will get more sympathy?
I'm only just factually. I'm sorry.
Nothing, not factually required.
My lords, only factually, my lords.
My lords, SC, ST, lady, all these things for crime, all these things are not doesn't make any sense
Right,
at all.
right. Sorry.
Crime is crime. It is done by senior advocate
Yes.
or junior advocate or SC or ST or woman doesn't make any difference. Crime is crime.
My lords.
Yes.
My lord, he is a convicted under section 138 of NI Act, my lords,
Yes.
and sentenced to 6 months of simple imprisonment and compensation of
So you are challenging that order?
My lords, that order is challenged in appeal.
Okay.
Appeal confirmed, my lords, and before against that order, I am before lordship, my
Okay.
lords.
Yeah. Admit. And stay relation of fine achi?
Yes, yes.
Stay relation of fine.
And the other one is for bail, my lords.
Okay, well, okay. Next, issue notice to the party. Opposite party notice as well. Highly required within 3 days. Okay. How much amount you have to pay? The
7,40,000, my lords.
have you deposited something?
No, no.
So deposit something.
Yes, your lordship. 1 lakh, your lordship will deposit.
1 lakh. 7 lakh is 1 lakh.
तो किछ-
Minimum 4 lakh deposit.
आएगा हो जाए.
4 lakh. 4 lakh.
One, my lordship. I was the folded hand in my lordship.
You bail. Subject to deposit of 4 lakh.
4
Before the
lakhs.
court. ଆପଣ ଚେକ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ ଚେକ୍ ରେ ପଇସା ନଥିବ ବାଉନ୍ସ କରିବ ତାପରେ କହିବେ ନାଇଁ ଇଏଟା ଏମିତି କେମିତି ହବ?
Your lordship, I am just praying, only, my lords, which can be executable. I am sorry. I know his condition, I am sorry. Prayer,
But
prayer.
sir, 7 lakh you have to pay
Yes, true.
something.
Your lordship may
Okay, 4 lakh ଛାଡି ଦିଅ 3 lakh କରିଦିଅ.
3 lakhs in 3 installments within 3 months.
ଏମିତି କଲେ କେମିତି ହବ?
3
କୋର୍ଟ
months.
ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିବେ ପୁଣି 3
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା 3 months
You
ଭିତରେ
can't
3ଟା
pay.
installment ହଜୁର ଦେଇଦବ କାହିଁକି
ନା ସେମିତି ହବନି.
Three.
ଆପଣ 7 lakh ଅଛି
True, yes.
3 lakh ପୁଣି 3 installment. What is this?
I know his financial condition.
Financial condition sir 438 case.
Yes.
Financial condition ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ ପଇସା ଦେଲା ଆପଣ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରେ ପଇସା ନେଲେ ଆପଣ ଚେକ୍ କାଇଁ କାଟୁଥିଲେ? फिर फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन बोले फिर की
I'm
it is a fraud.
I can only make
That's
a-
why it is criminalized. That's why it has been criminalized, sir. It is a fraud. पैसा न था कि चेक काटी काटी फ्रॉड काम आपण क्लाइंट फ्रॉड करछि
I am-
नो नो 3
I am-
लाख देबे एट ए टाइम नो नथिंग डूइंग
within 3 months.
नो 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 कोन एटा मु कोन जमींदार
No, no.
आपण रिक्वेस्ट करछंती आई एम जस्ट ए कोर्ट कांट बिहेव लाइक जमींदार वी आर नॉट जुडिशियल जमींदार
3 months ଭିତରେ
बिल्कुल नहीं विदिन 15 डेज लगा विदिन 15 डेज नॉट 3 मंथ କିଛି ପଇସା ଦେବେ ନା ଆଉ ସେ ଭିତରେ ଯେ ପଇସା ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଏମିତି ହାଇ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରା ଥିବ ଆପଣ ଦେବେନି କିଛି ଏମିତି କେମିତି ହବ 3 ଲାख ମିନିମମ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ବାକି ରେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ପରେ ଦେବେ ହେଲା
ତାହେଲେ 1 month
विदिन 15 डेज विदिन 15 डेज ତାପରେ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଦୋଷ ଦେବେନି ତାହେଲେ ମୋର ମୁଁ ପୁରା କହି ଦଉଛି ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଟୁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ 3 लाख रुपीस
1 month.
ଆଉ 1 मंथ
ହଜୁରଙ୍କ କଥା
ନା
1 month ହେଲେ
डोंट रिक्वेस्ट सर प्लीज नेक्स्ट
Item number 6.
लिस्ट लगे दो February 13 लगे दो होला 6
My lords, yesterday matter, same order may be passed.
what do I don't remember same order sir you give the order order ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Take instruction ପାଇଁ ଅଛି 19 ତାରିଖ ଜାନୁଆରୀ 19 ପାଇଁ।
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଦେଲେ ତ କଣ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ମନେ ଥୋଡି ଅଛି ଆପଣ କାଲି କଣ ଖାଇଥିଲେ
Yesterday
ସକାଳେ କହିଲେ
item
ସକାଳେ କାଲି କଣ ଖାଇଥିଲେ
Yesterday item
ଆପଣ ସକାଳେ କାଲି କଣ ଖାଇଥିଲେ କଣ ମନେ ଅଛି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର କଥା ମନେ ରଖିବି ଓ କି କଥା ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
order 19 ତାରିଖ ପାଇଁ take instruction ପାଇଁ ଅଛି।
ଖାଲି ଟ୍ୟାଗ ହେଇଯିବ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନା ନହେଲେ ମୋର ଥୋଡି ମନେ ଅଛି I don't remember even previous item ରେ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ମୋର ମନେ ନଥାଏ
ସମସ୍ତ ବୁଡେଇକି ମାରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଯେତେ କେସ ଆମେ ବୁଡେଇକି ମାରୁଛୁ
you are taking advantage ଜାଲ ବଢିଆ ଫେକିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ପୁରା ଯେତେ ଡୁବି ଡୁବିକି ଆସେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଠିକି ଆସ ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି କେବେ ଅଛି ସେଟା ନେକ୍ସଟ କେବେ ଅଛି
19th.
ହଁ
19th.
19 ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଓକେ 19 ଜାନୁଆରୀ କରିଦେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
By the way,
Item
let
7.
me appear for the concerned Tahsildar and apply on.
I am approach
ଆସୁ ନା ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋଟେ
all
ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଦବା
opposite parties man.
ଲେଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ କମ୍ ନା
All
ଏଟ ଏ ଟାଇମ୍
opposite parties we
ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦବା ନେକ୍ସଟ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item
Item
7.
My lord, I am representing, I am through BC, my lord.
you are for the petitioner
I am for the petitioner.
which for the bank
Bank has not yet been noticed first time.
oh first time anybody from HDFC bank no yes what is the issue
My lord, I have availed a personal loan of 30 lakhs, September 2022. I have regularly paying the installments. It is too heavy. Now I am retired from service. It is not possible. I filed an application to settle the things.
how
But I
how
have-
is the total outstanding how much is the outstanding
How much now? 30 lakhs. I have paid 10 lakhs within their limit. It is 24 lakhs now pending.
24 lakhs so you want to settle it
They are not settling, they are processing.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆରେ ମୋ କଥାଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କେତେଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇପାରିବେ 24 ଲାଖ କୁ ଯୋଉ ବାଲାନ୍ସ
I
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ
have
ଅଛି
applied. And now I
ଏ
want.
ସାର୍ ଆପ୍ଲାଏଡ୍ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଆପ୍ଲାଏଡ୍ ସେମାନେ ଶୁଣିବେନି I want to solve your problem. You are not ready to get it solved.
ମତେ 27 ମସିହାରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କଲେ 24 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆଉ ପଡିବ ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ସୁଧ କମେଇକି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସବୁ ଯାକ ପଇସା ଦେଇଦେବି ତାହେଲେ ମତେ କମ ପଡିବ
ଏ ତ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଚାଚା ତ ସବୁ କମେଇକି ଦେଇଦେବ ଆଉ
ଆରେ ମୁଁ ମାଗିଛି ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଓଟିଏସ୍
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେତେ ଦେଇପାରିବେ ତ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବି ଏତିକିରେ ଦେଇଦିଅ ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା ନ କରି ଆଇଆର ସାଡେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଚାଚା ବେଳେ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଡାକିକି ଆପଣ ଛିଡେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ମୁଁ
ମୁଁ ଛିଡେଇଦେବି କିଏ ମୁଁ କିଏ ମୁଁ କାଜୀ ମୁଁ ପୁରୋହିତ ଆପଣ ମିଆଁ ବିବି ସେପଟେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ମୋର ପର୍ପସ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଏତେ ପଇସା ଆଉ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ମାସରେ 25-26
ତାହେଲେ
ହଜାର
ଥାନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ସଫର କରନ୍ତୁ କି କଣ କରିବ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଚାହୁଁନାହାନ୍ତି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ ହଉ ବୋଲି ତାହେଲେ ସଫର
ସୁଧଟା ରଖିକି ଏଇଠୁ ଆଜିଠୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ
ଆପଣ 24 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟୋଟାଲ ଅଛି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଏବେ ସେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯେତିକି ତାଙ୍କର ସୁଧ ହବ ସେତିକି ଦେବି
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ସେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଭଳିଆ କାହିଁକି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲୋନ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ପଇସା ଫେରେଇବେ ଆଉ ଏତେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଭଳିଆ କାହିଁ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
ପଇସା
24 lakh within how many months you will pay tell me clearly
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ଚାର୍ଟଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ଲୋନ ର
ମୁଁ
ସରିବ
କିଛି ଦେଖିବା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ଦିନ ଦେବେ ଏଇଥିରେ ଚାର୍ଟ ଫାଟ ଦେଖାଇଲେ କିଛି ଲାଭ ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ
ପଇସା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ପଇସା ଫେରେଇବେ ବାସ୍
ସରିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋର 27 ରେ ସରିଲେ
କିଛି
ମତେ
ନୋଟିସ ଟୁ
24
HDFC
ଲକ୍ଷ
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ଦବାକୁ
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଗପ ସହିତ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ କରିବେ ତାର ସେ ଶୁଣିଲେ ଶୁଣିବେ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଆଡଭାଇସ ଦେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନି କଣ
ପଡିବ। ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଏବେ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବି 24 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେଲେ ମତେ ଅଧିକା ପଡିବ ସାର୍
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ନା କିଏ ପଚାରୁଛି ଡିସମିସ୍ କର ଡିସମିସ୍ଡ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ଡୁଇଂ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ମତେ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ
ବୁଝିବି କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ଶୁଭୁନି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା 27 ଲାଖ ରୁପିଜ ଅଛି କେତେ ମାସରେ ଦେବେ ଫାଇନାଲ
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ପଇସା ସେ ଯଦି ସ୍ଥିର କରିବେ ମୁଁ ଆଟ ଏ ଟାଇମ ଦେବି କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜିକା ଯାକେ ସୁଧ ଦେବି 27 ଯାକେ ମୁଁ ସୁଧ ଦେବି
ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆସୁ ଦେଖିବା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆସୁ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ କେତେ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଦେବେ ଆଜିକା ଡେଟ୍ ରେ କାଲିକା ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଆପଣ ବୁଝିଦେବେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଟୁ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଇ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ପୋଷ୍ଟ list the matter on February 8 February 8 asu next
Item 8.
8
The matter was there in the list yesterday, and your lordship has directed me to get the judgment of Hon'Ble Supreme Court.
What is the issue, sir? What are the issue?
Issue is that, my lord, I have filed one consumer. I am a domestic consumer electricity under the electricity department of Dhenkanal.
Correct.
They have issued a notice to me, assessment order. That amount is 42,000 and some odd. For being agreed by that notice, I filed one consumer case before the district consumer forum.
Yes.
In the district consumer forum has elaborately passed the order and quashed the assessment order. Thereafter, the electric department prefer an appeal before the state commission. And state commission, without giving me an opportunity of hearing, they have issued notice. I didn't appear there because notice was not duly served upon me. For that reason, I could not able to appear before the subsequently. In my absence, delay of 1 year has been condoned and order has been passed. Altogether, 19 orders has been passed in almost all 19 dates. The electric department didn't appear minimum 3-4 times, 5-6 times, Miller. Lastly,
and you never appeared. You never appeared in 19 times. You never appeared once.
Notice was not served.
Not served.
Yes, that is. I have annexed the entire order sheet that starts from
that I have seen.
Yes, your lordship. Another one judgment I have collected that is passed by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Just on what? On what issue?
Writ is maintainable.
Sir, on what issue?
Regarding the maintainability of writ.
Give me that.
Relevant person. Same first two contingencies applicable to. And I want to submit.
Okay.
I want to submit my reply.
Relax. The petitioner in this case has availed the power supply with the consumer account number 03263 up 291 under domestic category for the contract demand of 1 kW under the Dhenkanal Electrical Division. A new meter was installed in the house of the petitioner to take reading of the actual consumption of the energy, and the petitioner was paying the dues as per meter reading recorded by the meter regularly till the month of September 2018. And its sum of rupees 360 rupees was due on the petitioner till September 2018, which was paid by him. Suddenly, a notice was slapped on the petitioner, enhancing the load to 3 kilowatt. And a bill was raised for an amount of rupees 2,022.41 on the basis of the load factor. The petitioner, on the receipt of the said bill, approached the opposite party number 3 to correct the electric bill and to provide a fresh bill after rectifying the error. However, the opposite party number 3 did not consider his request. Again, the opposite party number 3 enhanced the connected load arbitrarily without any basis, with effect from October 2018, without following the due procedure. Full stop. The enhancement of the load factor to 3 kilowatt was arbitrary and without the knowledge of the present petitioner. In that way, the as per the actual consumption, the reading as on 14/12/2018 was 9,412 units. Further, the petitioner is not residing in the house and only one bulb is being used. Hence, the amount of rupees, the load factor of 9,412 units cannot be expected from the house, from the consumer also. So from the consumption, so the consumption, the current rate of consumption also. The petitioner agreed by the said notice. The petitioner approached the District Consumer Forum by filing a complaint case, which is registered as CC case number 75 of 2018. And in the said complaint with the petitioner praying for a direction to the opposite party number 3 to disconnect against the disconnection of the power supply to his house and to reduce the power load factor from 3 kilowatt to 1 kilowatt, and accordingly send the revised bill. However, the learned district forum discussed everything elaborately in its judgment, and after hearing both the parties, elaborated everything in the judgment, and on the basis of an average 3 months reading recorded by the new meter installed in the premises of the petitioner and the OP, then they approached the
electric department. Relevant portion of the consumer district forum is page 47. The complaint petition.
Relevant portion ta apne eti lekhile asudha achi. Why are you not writing here? You should write in the body. What are the relevant portion? At least 5 line ki 7 line thi wase lekhile hoba na. You don't writing just jaha ichha likhi dushen. What is that? Order. Yes. The district consumer forum 48 na
47. Oh, 47. Ordered. The complaint petition is allowed on contest starts.
Yes. 47. The learned district consumer forum has held that there is no provision in the Electricity Act 2003 and the rules and regulation made thereunder, which empowers the opposite party number 3 to enhance the connected load factor to of a consumer unilaterally without his knowledge. In the absence of any provision of law and without prior notice to the present petitioner, any enhancement in the load factor is contrary to law and it is illegal and against the principle of natural justice. Full stop. It was further held that the opposite party 3 to revise the energy bills of the complainant from October 2018 till August 2019 on the basis of average of 3 months reading recorded by the new meter installed in the premises of the complainant, and the opposite party number 3 was further directed to reduce the connected load from 3 kilowatt to 1 kilowatt. The OP was burdened with cost and compensation of 5,000 and was to be complied within 30 days from the date of receipt of the order. Agreed by such order, the opposite party approached before the state forum.
State Consumer Dispute
I know,
Resolution.
that's like state consumer dispute forum. However, where is that order sheet?
Relevant portion is at page 80.
Page?
Relevant portion is at page 77. Order number 19 dated 22/2/2023.
However, the State Consumer Redressal Forum, while dealing with the appeal under Section 41 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019,
No notice was.
held that it was a clear case under Section 126 of Electricity Act as submitted by the counsel for the appellant, and held that the complainant is not maintainable before the Lana District Forum. It is further submitted by the Lana petitioner that the petitioner was not given an opportunity of being heard, despite the matter was adjourned for 19 times.
19 times.
19 times?
Yes, sir.
19 times. Some of the date like this date, this 19 honest total order sheet ଅଛି କେବେ କେତେ ପେଜ କେତେ ପେଜ
relevant portion ହଉଛି page.
ଆରେ ଭାଇ order sheet जो ଦେଇଛ କେତେ ପେଜ ରୁ କେତେ ପେଜ ଅଛି ସେଟା?
Order sheet total ଦେଇଛି 59 ରୁ start.
ହଁ
59 ରୁ
59
ରୁ 81.
59 ରୁ 81 ଭିତରେ ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ଗୁଡା ଏଇ ଡେଟ୍ 15/5 15/8 ଏମିତି ଡେଟ୍ ସବୁ ଲେଖିଦବ ହେଲା। In such view of the matter, it is true that the electricity disputes cannot be brought before the consumer forum, since there is a separate forum available for the redressal of the dispute. Having said that, this court is of the view that when the petitioner was slapped with a petitioner interest was hampered because of the non-issuance, because of non-appearance of the petitioner due to notice issue in what?
Notice ହେଇଛି, notice ଆମ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିନି.
Due to non-receipt of the notice at the end. Also, it is also a fact that the alternative remedy should have been explored by the petitioner, but the consumer forum had passed an order, and the order was under appeal before the state forum, and the petitioner was prejudicially affected by the said order. Hence, the petitioner approached this court. In the case like the present one, which is affecting the basic fundamental rights of the citizen, and the principle of natural justice has not been complied with, this court is competent to set aside the order and remit this matter back to the consumer court and pass a reasoned order by allowing the present petitioner to put forth his position.
Deeply appraised.
You approach that.
Item number 9.
In fact, I returned in the morning today. I was outside. I didn't have any time to go through the brief. May I brief
Which one?
for a short
Tomorrow.
accommodation?
Tomorrow?
Not tomorrow, Millard. Tomorrow.
No,
after
tomorrow.
I'll be.
It has been already a lot of adjournment has taken place. Earlier also twice or once it is there. Tomorrow?
Millard, next week, any day. Tomorrow, day after, I may be occupied with two part.
Okay, Monday go. 8th. 8th.
No, Millard, the same principle your lordship was dictating the present one. Right?
But no, that is not different thing. That is issue is slightly different.
No, that's
Your
correct.
issue is different. Because on that issue, I have passed it detail.
I have seen that order.
So
The
detail
para
order where
13 of your lordship.
because there is a provision of appeal, that's why I'm not.
No, that's
telling.
correct. But para 13, your lordship have also clarified in Jugal Misra case that nothing owes the jurisdiction of 226.
No, that is doesn't hours, but there are certain
Yes.
issues.
No, that's correct.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
why.
that depends upon the
We'll
facts
see-
of his
we'll
case.
see that.
So your lordship may allow. I'll make that.
Monday.
We'll pull Madhya Pradesh. Your lordship
I
have
know
already
that, but
taken note of that.
unfortunately, if the Supreme Court sometimes one side of a judgment, other day you will find another.
So factually, so far I am
That's the problem.
concerned, Millard. I am not on those people who are government officers.
I'm only one thing, sir. I have only one thing. When there is a statute, the statute clearly enunciated something. Just without quashing that particular provision of the statute, simply the Supreme Court can say anything. This said that.
Six
No, but
million, but
but
that's
what is the
also-
confusion? So then which matter will go to Supreme Court? Which matter will be here? That is a huge confusion.
No, that area is still grey. That
That's
is to
what-
be set at.
That's why I'm in the gray.
So let me. I'll see. Try to satisfy your lordship.
Next.
Lord, wish you lordship a happy new year also for
Same to you, sir.
2024.
Next.
Item number 10.
10.
Item number 10, my lords, as to supposed to take instructions about the status of the land. My lord, a similar writ petition on the same plot by the brother of the petitioner, I think. Writ petition number 8795 of 22 is supposed to be listed on 9-1. Let this matter also come along with that, both can be decided.
Another.
Again, Biswajit Saha, filed by Biswajit
Oh,
Saha.
that municipality.
Again,
Yes, Your
say it,
Lordship.
say it.
This is with regards to the trade license, that is with regards to the issuance of drug license under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act.
The issue remains the same if the
Issue is
status
the
of the
same.
land is clear, my lord.
But
So as-
Lordship,
The issue is the land.
Yeah, issue
Yes.
is land.
on
So
last
let
occasion,
it come together. That's better.
So that's exactly what I'm requesting.
Give me the
9th
number.
My lord, this is writ petition number 8795 of 2022.
8795 of 2022.
2.
Let the matter be along with this. কেবে সেটা লাগিয়েছে?
9th.
Ninth.
9th of this.
Oh, 9th.
My lord.
We'll hear together. Next.
Item 11.
May I please, your lordship? This is that bank matter, your lordship. Last time, your lordship were directed to take instruction.
I'm appearing for the bank on behalf of my senior. We haven't received any written instruction from the bank yet.
Not received. Okay.
Getting the written permission from the
Okay. Land Constable of the Bank, Mrs. Sahu, submit that. He requests one week time to obtain instruction list the matter. 16th? 16th.
Please, your lordship.
Next.
Item 12.
This is
12.
also similar matter, my lord. Another matter is also bank matter.
Here also on time. Same order. 1 week.
ସେ 16 କୁ ଆସ
16 days.
ଅବଲାଇ
16 ଦେବେ ନା?
ହଁ ଆସିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଆସିବ ଏଇଟା ରିଜଲ୍ଭ ହେଇଯିବ
Okay, next.
Item number 14.
14.
The case,
In that time.
meanwhile, the case ended with acquittal.
So permitted to withdraw, my.
We did. And consider petitioner submitted since the case is ended in acquittal and see.
I'm filing a
This is the
memo.
case that has been ended in acquittal. The petitioner seeks to withdraw the
I'm filing a memo so that.
they file the memo. Memo, let the memo be kept on record. Disposal. So and so. Present application is disposal. Hello. Next.
Obligation.
Item 15.
15.
May I please? Petitioner custody, my lord, 8/11/2020, my lord. 8/11/2020, my lord.
8/11/2021.
20,
कौन कला?
murder, my lord.
हाँ?
302 offense.
कौन करे हमने? गांजा तो थोड़ी छाड़ दी. Murder कर दिया.
The implication, my lord, the co-accused statement, the one statement before police, the witness, the present petitioner, my lord, implicated in this case, the co-accused statement, and one witness, namely Suresh Chandra Sahu, who is the owner of the gold ornaments jewelry owner, the shop. The allegation, the petitioner along with the co-accused person went to the owner of the said Suresh Chandra Sahu, gold jewelry owner, and requested to purchase the same ornament. And the case is that the ornament belongs to the deceased, my lord. That is the allegation.
But what was your role, sir? I'm asking your role.
No direct
Ornament car belong kala
Yes,
kaun
ma'am.
kone?
On suspicion, I am implicated in this case because
Is it so, Mr.? Is it so on suspicion only? Or let him get this.
no direct allegation. Yes, ma'am.
Land constable of the state directed to up to the case diary. Yes. This is the matter on 16. Next.
Item 16.
16. Non-APS. This is the matter on 7th February. 17.
Item 17.
Please, my lord. My lord, here, the petitioner is languishing in custody since, my lord, 23/6/2020. There was an omnibus allegation. So far, only that the allegation is that due to political rivalry, the deceased happens to be the hooligans, and there was a disturbance for installing a tube well, whereas the deceased also compelled that tube well should be installed in near his premises. So that was the cause for which he was attacked these petitioners. There are altogether 4 petitioners. The present petition is there.
So that this is attacked them. These people.
Yes, that due to prolonged dispute.
And he retaliated and
No,
that.
because the other parent petitioner, including other 4 persons, their family members, they have also attacked the deceased. And
What
only
was your role, sir?
only the role of the present petitioner, there was an assault by the petitioner on the back side. That was not on the vital part.
Backside man.
Backside ପିଠିରେ ନା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ନୁହେଁ ପିଠି ପଛପଟ ପିଠିରେ back side
କୋଉଥିରେ ବାଡେଇଲା?
ଗୋଟେ ବାଡି ନା
କୋଉଥିରେ ବାଡେଇଲା?
ମୁସଳ ଗୋଟେ କାଠ ଫାଳିଆରେ ପିଟିଲା।
କାଠ ଫାଳିଆରେ ମରିବେନି ଲୋକ?
ନା 4 persons were there. Actually, the allegation was against one that is Siddheshwar Bhoi and one Manoj Sahu. They have assaulted the.
Equal, sir. 34.
34 is there. Yes.
All have taken part in the crime.
Only so far they against the present allegation against present petitioner, assault by the present petitioner on the backside of the deceased, because there was omnibus allegation. So since 2000
stage of trial now.
Trial has not yet been commenced. 4 to 5 witnesses has examined despite the repeated direction.
Yes, what is his role, sir?
Babul Deuri.
ଆପଣ କାଠ ଫାଲିଆ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଧରିକି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆଉ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଦେଖ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ନା only allegation is against his ସାନ ଭାଇ ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
What he was carrying?
Yes,
he was carrying an axe. ବାବୁଲା ଦେହରେ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଧରି
ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆରେ କରିଛି।
ନାଇଁ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆଟା ଦେଲା ତ ସାନ ଭାଇ କି ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଉ ସେଟା ଟ୍ରାଏଲରେ
ଆଉ ସେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲରେ କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ। But he has been in custody since 2020.
23/6/20.
What is the status of the trial?
Only, my lord, the 4 witnesses has been examined.
The request made for paid for my not to call for report from the.
Yeah, let's start trial status of the trial obtained from the court below. I'll list the matter on 19th.
Okay.
Next.
Item 18.
18.
My lord, here
18 भी अपना करो.
again, here the allegation.
एटी कौन कले?
No, here the allegation there was
तो बढ़िया जगन्नाथ और उल्टे काम करछुनी.
Sir. There was a land dispute. Both of the families, they are also neighbor to each other and also related to each other. Because there was a land dispute, whereas the record of rights stands recorded in the name of the father of the present petitioner, whereas the possession is also with the this deceased. And the deceased family, they are also abusing because when there was a fray for taking possession over the disputed land, and the deceased family abuses the family members of the petitioner, and all of a sudden when there is the family members of the petitioners, including petitioner, came out and there was a fray. There are four persons from one side, another 5 persons in another side. There was a and all of a sudden he has also assault. There was a injury and he was also shifted to hospital. 4 days was suffering and lastly he was died.
Yes, what do you say?
Direct assault or on the head itself.
26/11
with the help of what? With the help of Tangya.
Again.
No.
Tangya आपन क्लाइंट मान
Tangya no sir, এটা কাঠফালিয়া রে সেই কাঠফালিয়া
হ্যাঁ ସବୁ ଆପଣ କାଠଫାଳିଆ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ହେଲେ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ବାହାରୁଛି.
ନା ଦେଖୁନ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ କାଠଫାଳିଆ
ଆପଣ ସବୁଥିରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କାଠଫାଳିଆ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାନେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଧରିବାଟା ଗୋଟେ କମନ ବୋଧେ.
এটা ଜଙ୍ଗଲିଆ ଜାଗା ତ ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଧରନ୍ତି ଆଉ
ଆପଣ କାଠଫାଳିଆ କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ?
ସରି
କହିବେ
18 ସାର୍ ଅଛି 26/11
ସାର୍ 18 20 କଥା ନୁହେଁ
ସାର୍.
The heinousness of the crime is important. The gravity of the offense is important.
Because they are fighting. Similarly, also the disease.
Sir, I have no problem if there is lesser offense, smaller offense. I generally grant bail without your insistence.
Sir.
But a case of this nature where you have, attacked with the
Disease.
axe.
Sir, deceased family members assaulted the
Sir,
family.
that is not the your defense, sir. This is family member assaulted. ଆପଣ assault କରିଦେଲେ ହେଇଗଲା. ultimately ଲୋକଟା ମରିଛି ନା.
After 4 days, sir. After 4 days.
Crime has been committed, person has died. That's the important thing for me.
Sir.
What is the circumstances, that is for the trial court to decide. But when I am granting bail, I will look into this aspect.
Since 2018 till today, they are in custody. 26/11. 6 years. 6 years.
Status report देखो. देखिए status report देखो. We'll see. 6 years.
6 years.
କେମିତି କେବେ ହେଲା?
26/11
18 ଅଛି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା 26/11/2018.
ट्रायल को जाय देखो.
ट्रायल କିଛି ହେଇନି. ट्रायल ହେଇନି. ନଟ୍ ଏଟ୍ କାଉ.
सर आपण अधा इनफॉरमेशन दउछन एतु मते मगेबा पडुची. आपण एतो काठ फाळिया कला टांगिया बारुची. आ ट्रायल स्टार्ट हेना से ट्रायल पळै जइथिबो.
Sir, I got the report of the evidence of the PW.
मु आमा सिस्टम रो
7.
let it come. आसु अरे पाइले केमि ट्रायल स्टार्टिंग देरा?
ना स्टार्ट ହେଇନି ନୁहे.
आपण प्रत्येक सेंटेंस गोटे नेगेटिव कथा कहउछन. कोटा सत आपण निजे डिसाइड करंतु.
14 witnesses has already been examined.
निजे कहले एबे जस्ट कहले ट्रायल स्टार्ट हेनी. डोंट मिसलीड द कोर्ट. दिस इज नॉट गुड. पचार जे आपण कहू ना ट्रायल स्टार्ट हेतिल आपण तो ट्रायल स्टार्ट हेनी कह देले फटकना आगर. देखि तो कहंतु पेपर.
सर
मु आपण मगेबी आपण
6 years 7
वर्षा करूनी आपण को.
7 years
हम कोर्ट को वर्षा करी.
ठीक अछि.
हां आपण 18 डॉलर नाही कहउछंदी. काठ फळिया गला टांगिया बारुची. Truthful. Next. Posting it 25th. Next.
19.
May I please 20B to C of the.
आपण तो मुझे जानछि आपण 11 निसे गांजा थिबो. केते गांजा?
70 किलो.
मात्र
19 years.
मात्र 70 किलो. आ आपण केबेटु अछंती?
18/11/19.
19 रु.
आगे.
आपण छाडी जानछि के? मो कोर्ट को आसी. मुझे केबेटु छाडी दिसंते.
He's from Bihar. He's from Bihar. So look.
Bihar.
India is one.
India is one. पहले से बिहार पुलिस से कोऑपरेट करिबो India is one. आमे ओडिशा is one बोली भाबू. India is one for नहीं. For गांजा offense पे India is one नहीं. Otherwise is one.
ता रिलेशन मोड पीआर दबो से
5 लक्ष 5 लक्ष दबो.
पीआर ता रिलेशन पीआर दबो
पीआर आउ
पीआर प्रति डेट रे कोर्ट रे हाजिर हबो
ना हले आपन धरि
हां धरि
सेते कम रहबो. ले 2 लाख कर 2
ना देई परबो
1 लाख 1 लाख
1 lakh देबेनी.
मालकानगिरी
मालकानगिरी बोले आपण मालकानगिरी जिल्ला रो केस आनी बोले मु जाई के आपण जाई अलगा डिपार्टमेंट आलेनी
नहीं बलागिर बरगड पाउनी की
पाउना हेडी गंजा केस नाही सेठी बलागिर बरगड गंजा केस नाही सेठी ई जो कफ सिरप हां ओडिसा रो क्राइम पैटर्न मु पूरा स्टडी 1 लाख देई परिबन थावा मु कोन करबी कोड सीधा एंश्योर करे बेर अलगा स्टेट रो कोन करबी हमर क्लाइंट को पचारन ताले से करि परिबे छाड़ देबी ना
50,000
1 लाख ते पळेबो कोडे सर का गुड दुई लोक होई को 1 लाख से प्रॉपर्टी सिक्योरिटी भी चलिबो हला 1 लाख न हले प्रॉपर्टी कैश न प्रॉपर्टी नहीं चलिबो कैश पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी
May I pardon, my lord?
ओके आपण का भाई
Item 16 will appear for next week, my lord.
हां
Because I was held up in Honorable Chief Justice Court.
कितने नंबर
Item 16, my lord. Let's keep it next week, my lord.
16
आया এটা আপনার মার্চ কো এডিশন হয়ে যাইছিল
आपण नसले
আয়া নেক্সট উইক এনিটি ম্যাডাম
और दे दे 25 तारीख 25th नेक्स्ट
20 co-accused
हां
20 co-accused
Same affair,
same affair co-accused
he is also from Bihar.
आपण पाला वाला सब ये के माने बाकी कोई में करथले कोन
आगे
बाकी कोई कुछ में कोन करथले
नहीं सब बाहर असना
से बाहर जे व्हाट आर दे डूइंग एबे टिके भीतर पसे पड़ियो कोन करथले तो
सब बोलेरो जाउतिले
बोलेरो केते कुडे लोक धरिबे गुडे बोलेरो ए इम्पॉसिबल कथा को बोलेरो कुडे लोक धरि म देखले
20 लोक न
20 लोक
20 लोक
There are three co-accused. Three of them were running away.
Only 3. How जान तो one लग रहा है and they will present the condition for the
okay and আমি পাড়াম আইটেম 19 টারে ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ভুল আরাটা লেখা আছে মালকানগিরি আর আমি কারেক্টেড টু করেক্ট পারমিট টু কারেক্ট করতে 19
correct
19
district কোড মালকানগিরিটা
ভুল হইছে এটা আরা
He is from Bihar.
Bihar.
Post title रे भूल रे मालकानगिरी
District
लिखा है.
मालकानगिरी.
आरा हवा का आरा from Bihar.
आरा ओके आरा बिहार ये रेक्टिफाई तो मालकानगिरी तो आरा परमिटेड ओके नेक्स्ट
ओब्लास्ट
नेक्स्ट
21.
21 आज न आइले आपण को धरिबी न आइले पळेले सेमाने रेगुलर न आइले वाला मिस्टर पंडा
May I please your lordship?
आपण आंसर करे पड़ी आंसर करिए बुझले पळेला वाला आपण छाड़िबी आ आपण थरे पळेला ना आपण को कोथ बेल देबिनी सब डिसमिस करिए पूरा आखी बंद करी मिस्टर पंडा ना आगे डिसमिस हुआ माने बाहर केस स्टेट केस ठीक अछि यस
May I please your lordship? My lord, here in this case, the present petitioner is inside custody since 17/9/2019.
19
My lord,
17/9
my
कौन हला
for the offense, statute offense is under section 302.
forget the section
My lord,
what was the role
his role along with the co-accused who is released on bail by this court. My
what
Agya.
was his role he's the principal accused
He is principal accused. Yes.
this man is the
No, my
principal
lord, 3 persons name stated by the witnesses.
accused. What are you doing tell me
By the showed assaulted.
sword assault in the normal
But my lord, out of 30,
unless there is a professional this criminal sword की धरन
I may be
बाकी जो माने एक्सीडेंटल जहाँ थिबे पाखरे मार देबे sword जे धरि के ता घरे sword रखी छी Regularly says for use.
In fact, he was on bail as it transfers from the order of the lower court below. He was on bail in another case in 307. While
My lord,
on bail, he has committed this.
I may be permitted to submit in this case, out of 30 charge sheeted witnesses.
I'm not on that.
My
What is the- You are on bail and you attack that person again. You are
That
in
is, my
another
lord,
case.
of 2017 one antecedent of 2007.
But you are not a Sadashida individual.
Another co-accused person also having answered, but they are released on bail.
They are not like you.
My lord,
They were different.
all the co-accused released on bail.
Co-accused may be released on bail.
My-
You are the principal accused.
But my lord, trial is not proceeding. Out of 30 charge sheeted witness, only 4 witnesses. Only 4 witnesses have been examined as on.
Trial may not be proceeding, but the thing is, these kind of people are dangerous. Hey, Shetty bhalo achi. IP ke to ko jail achi. Ko jail. 4 district jail.
I don't know.
वो भी पता नहीं है।
Bhubaneswar.
हाँ बढ़िया है जी जेल एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास भुवनेश्वर जेल बढ़िया है।
Specific observation of the lower court is that he does not stand at
Well, all the co-accused persons are considered.
Madam, you are the principal accused.
No, my lord, no principal. He is not the principal. Being a member of that,
They don't have that antecedent like you.
but being a member of Hon'Ble Assembly, he is
Maybe you're right. You're right, but
Fine.
your history
But
is louder than anything else.
Another person also having antecedent released on bail. So
Not like this. Well,
307, my lord, my lord of 2017 antecedent.
Sorry.
Only one antecedent is there. No.
Question is not antecedent, madam. You are on bail. During that period, you have done this. That is the problem for you. So the court cannot rely on your conduct. What is the guarantee that after getting the bail again you will not attack another person?
Any stringent conditions may be imposed.
Stringent condition, no. Best stringent condition is he should be inside the custody. That is the only stringent condition can be.
He's already inside custody more than 4
Time
I get. But considering the stage of trial on the co-accused bail application, all the co-accused has been released on bail.
Though the co-accused have already been released on bail, the petitioner's conduct doesn't inspire confidence in the court to grant bail, as he committed the crime, the present crime, while he was in bail in another case. We'll see in a better case. अच्छा case लेके आओ.
All the co-accused released on bail. I am submitting that.
Co-accused may be released on bail. Otherwise, simply, had you not done this, I would have released. Your problem is you are on a bail in another case, again you do this. What is the guarantee? Why bail is required? Okay, you show your good conduct. You'll be cooperating the investigation. That is why bail is there. But when you are released on bail, the court has a confidence, okay, this person will behave well. He'll go and kill another person.
Kindly,
That's the problem.
Positions, if we go through that, the 4 witnesses are examined, they have stated the same role as the other.
But role is fine, but it's antecedent.
307 is the.
Sorry. You tried your best, but I'm not convinced. Next.
22.
22.
Page, my lord. My lord, here.
Again, 302.
Yes, 302. My lord also died. My lord. No, FIR was unknown. FIR was unknown. There was no direct allegation against the present petitioner. Against whom the allegation was there, he was granted bail by my lord. This is the bail order.
Bill.
Allegation was against Popuna Doli.
This person, what was
he is the main conspirator.
No.
Say poison the disease they taken
assault part. I am assault part against Popuna Doli. The assault was there, and also 2 persons has already been granted bail against whom they accused. My role is because I have given finance. He was contesting in the last Gram Panchayat election. He has taken 45,000 rupees from me. Despite I repeatedly remind him to return that money, he has not returned that money. For that there was a dispute. That was the allegation.
Who inflicted the blow?
That is Popuna Doli.
No.
Sir, Papuna Dole, no? Papuna Dole, another is Satya Priya Pradhan.
None has seen the petitioner inflicting any blow in the Papuna Dole case. Re kei kori nahanti. Apan kହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା?
No, no,
ଦେଖି
no.
ନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି
No, no, देखिए, भली के
It
Papuna
is
Dole,
not proved. Not proved, sir.
sir, Papuna Dole, that is.
ଆପଣ କଣ କଲେ?
There is only allegation against me that I demand that my money, 45,000 you have taken, return
I'm
that
reading
money.
the confessional statement under 27.
देखो कौन
योजना मुताबिक रात्रि प्राय 9टा
The
बेले
conspirator.
Nah,
not only that,
I was-
not only is he a conspirator, he is the
Read
chief
it.
conspirator.
Read
Again. योजना मुताबिक रात्रि प्राय 9टा बेले पपुन और पिंकू प्रधान मिसी पपुन रो मोटरसाइकेल रे डैम पाखु आस्तिले सेतेबेले लोकनाथ तार मोटरसाइकेल रे ऊपर बसी यूट्यूब देखतुला से माने आसीबारु मु लोकनाथ को पछुआडू धरली पपुन मो पाखु आसी मो अंटारे खंडा बाहर करी लोकनाथ रो तंटी को हाणी देला
हाँ पपुना
रुहंतु मु सारनी
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା।
लोकनाथ मो बाम हातर बुढ़ा
Please
आंगुठी
sit down, please.
मुड़ी देला
This thing you should please follow. ଗୋଟେ ଜଣେ ଗଲା ଆଉ ଜଣେ ବସି ପଡିବେ ବସନ୍ତୁ this is what we should follow. ଆପଣ ଫଲୋ କାହିଁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି। ଆଉ ଚେୟାର ଏତେ କମ ହେତୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଚେୟାର କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଚେୟାରକୁ ବି ସମ୍ମାନ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଚେୟାର ପଛପଟେ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ବସନ୍ତୁ। ହଁ
ଲୋକନାଥ ମୋ ବାମ ହାତର ବୁଢା ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠିକି ଜୋରରେ କାମୁଡି ଦେଲା ସେ ଖସି ଦୌଡି ଯିବାରୁ ଦେଖି ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଡାଇ ଗୋଡାଇ ହାଣିଲୁ ଏବଂ ସେ ତଳେ ପଡିଯିବା ପଟେ ତାର ବେକରେ ହାଣି ମାରିଦେଲୁ and the sword has been recovered pursuant to this discovery. So he has
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି କହିଲେ?
Sir, 2020 he is in custody. More than 3 years.
What is it?
27/7
What is it?
27/7/2020.
What is the stage of the trial?
My lords, as on 7/5/22, 13 out of 32 charge sheet witnesses were examined. That's 7/5/22. ଏବେ ଆହୁରି progress କରିଯିବ ପୁଣି trial. My lord,
Let's see
call
the
for a status report.
charge sheet. Status टा देखिए।
Status, other day also my lord called for the status report.
आसी just आसी
Asti was.
କେତେ ଦିନ ରଖିବ ଏମିତି 5 ବର୍ଷ 6 ବର୍ଷ କେତେ ହଁ ମଗାଇ
ମଗାଇଥିଲା ନା?
Kindly call for the status report.
status report. You can't keep a person for long time unless a serial offender or something.
But a grave provocation रे मार देला कौन कहला, that is a different story. He has planned the thing completely
Let's see
and executed.
you got it. Yes. This is the matter on 24th. Next
23.
23
23 I pray after tomorrow.
ଆଜି ଭଲ ଦିନ ନାହିଁ
नहीं ଭଲ ଅଛି ସେ ନୋଟଟା କଲା ପୋଲିସ ପେପର ଛଡା ରହି ଯାଇଛି ପୁରା
ଏଟା କି କେସ୍ ଟା 302 ହଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଲେ ଆଉ
after tomorrow.
In fact, my
ସାର୍ ଏଠିକାର ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ କହିବି ସତ କଥା କହୁଛି maximum adjournment because to avoid the court ହଁ ଆପଣ କଣ ଗାଞ୍ଜା କେସ୍ ଦେଲେ ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଇଏ କରିଦେବେ ଦେଖିଲେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଥିରେ ଦଉନି ଆପଣ ଆଭଏଡ୍ କରିଦିଅ ଚାଲ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ମୁଁ
ଏତିକି ଅଛି
ଆମେ ବି ସେପଟୁ ଆସିଛୁ ଏମିତି ଉଡ଼ିକି ଆସିଛୁ
my lord, may I pray for next week?
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆଜି ଦଉନି ଆଜି ଦେବାନି ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କି
May I pray for next week?
ମଡକେସନ ନେଇଛି
No, what CD ଟା my lord, I haven't got the CD.
This is the matter on February 5 तारीख next
ଜାନୁଆରୀ
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏଡଜନ ମାଗିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟର୍ମ ରେ ହବନି ଆମ ଟର୍ମ ରେ ଏଡଜନ ନ ମାଗିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆମେ ଦଉ ଅଲଗା କଥା ଆପଣ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି
ଦି ଜଣ
ସେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ମାଗିଲେ ମାନେ ଜାନୁଆରୀ 5
ଥାର୍ଡ ୱିକ୍
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଫେବୃଆରୀ 5 ରେ ଆସ ନେକ୍ସଟ
24.
24
May I please your lordship?
quantity
921 kilo. Nothing was recovered from the present petitioner below. All the co-accused persons.
he's from where is he from
From spot mirror. But
where is this man from
confessional statement.
अरे भाई where is this man from ସେ ତ ପଚାରୁଛି ଅଲଗା କଥା ମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଭରିଥାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ ସେ ବାହାରନ୍ତିନି ଜଲ୍ଦି ମୋର ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ମିନିଟରେ ସଲ୍ଭ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟେଡ ଯାଅ କେତେ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି
921
ଓକେ ସିମିଲାର
25
ଏତେ କଥା କାହିଁ ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବେ ପଳେଇବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ 25
that the batch of जो Grammy Bank matters, non-recoverable loans. The 19 the other matters.
Who is for the
I am for the petitioner bank.
Who is for the society?
No, society, the individual loan application, other matters your last fee fixed to 19. So,
Same there, same matter.
same matter, similar.
19 hours. ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆସିଛନ୍ତି?
Sorry.
ଆରେ
Sorry.
यार
Sorry.
31 ଡିସେମ୍ବର ତ କେବେଠୁ ଗଲାଣି ତଥାପି ନିଶା ଯାଇନି 31st ରେ 1 ତାରିଖ
Your lordship, the matter has become infructuous, your lordship.
infrastructure give me. You have anything?
Sir, I will
Okay.
give you more.
What is your name?
Sir, Pritam
Huh?
Pradhan.
Huh?
Pritam Pradhan appearing on behalf of
Passport,
Pitambar.
petitioner.
Yes,
Mr. Pritam Pradhan submit that the matter has become infructuous.
Much obliged.
25, huh? 26.
26.
26, 27, 28, that's
हाँ
State.
associate दिन 9 तारीख
Then of
9
state.
9 ना
19.
19 days 19
The private opposite party will take notice, state government to extra copy that.
private notice
25, 26, 27, 28 दिन.
should notice कर जाओ 19 से लगे हाँ requisite may be filed next
30.
No, 29 is there. The
29.
other matters.
Item 29.
Don't. If the petitioner 29,
हाँ
they agreed by the order under annexure 8 page 28, where the insurance claim has been rejected by the opposite party insurance company.
what
Lost-
happened?
The petitioner was having a small wood industry.
Hmm.
He was registered under the Udyana scheme.
Hmm?
On the Udyam's registration scheme, the government of India, the skill development.
What happened?
That of the due to short circuit,
Mhm.
the industry completely damaged.
Hmm.
There was the insurance coverage.
Hmm.
A lordship may kind of a glance. The annexure 8, annexure 2, page 18. The
Which insurance company?
last insurance is SBI.
SB life ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି SB ଅଛନ୍ତି
Achievements.
not life
No, SBI General Insurance. SBI General Insurance.
we are not for life okay so what happened then
They refused the claim. If the reason refused, it has mentioned annexure 8, page 28.
8
Uh,
page 28 yes
inordinate delay, the reason जो dotted.
କେତେ ଦିନ delay
नहीं बार इंसिडेंट 17 have intimated.
inordinate के कोड ହେଇଗଲା
That intimated. They are ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି that fire certificate issued. Fire certificate.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କରିବା ଗୋଟେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ instruction
Immediately ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି immediate. But
Immediately ମାନେ
immediately has not mentioned.
ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ତାର ଘର ଦ୍ୱାର ଆଗ ସଜାଡ଼ିବ କି ଆଗ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଦୌଡ଼ିବ ଆଗ this is not ମିନିମମ୍ 3 ମାସ ରଖିବା କଥା ମୋ ମତରେ 3 month କୌଣସି ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଫାୟାର ହଉ ଘରଟା ଇଏ ହଉ କି ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ
Lending bank को हम immediate
ଯଦି
ଜଣେଇଛୁ.
କାର ଗୋଟେ କିଏ ହେଇଛି ଧର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ସେ ଆଗ ତାକୁ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରାଇବା କି ଆଗ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଇସା ମାଗିଯିବ ସେ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲି ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ ଆଗ ତ ସେ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ସପୋଜ 2-3 ମାସ ଲାଗିଗଲା ସେ ଭିତରେ ସେ ହି ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ବିନ୍ ଏ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଅଫ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ approach the insurance company so quickly there should be some time lag okay issue notice
ହେଲା.
issue notice land conservation issue notice
Obligation, date
to-
may be
2 OP number
1 to 4.
1
State Bank पे मैं appear, my friend may appear. State Bank
State Bank ର କି କାମ
ଯେ loan ଟା ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ନେଇଥିଲୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଜରିଆରେ
ତାଙ୍କର ଲୋନ
ତାଙ୍କ
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ
ଜରିଆରେ ନାଇଁ କାହିଁ କରିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ଜରିଆରେ ଯେହେତୁ ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଥିଲା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଡିଡକ୍ଟେଡ ସେଇ ଯୋଗୁଁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ପକ୍ଷେ କରୁଛୁ କାରଣ ସେଇଟା
ଆପଣ କି ଲଜିକ ବାହାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ତ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ SBI
ଅଛି।
ଲାଇଫ କୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାଇଁ ପାଟି ବନେଇବ
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ତାଙ୍କ ଥ୍ରୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା ବୋଲି ତାର ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରେ ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଭେହିକିଲ ରେ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ସେ ଭେହିକିଲ କୁ ପାଟି ବନେଇଲେନି ସ୍କୁଟର କି ସ୍କୁଟି ରେ ଯାଉଥିବେ ସେଟା
IRD ବି ଯଦି
ସବୁ ଆଉ କି ବାକି ରହିଲା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ 2 to 3 that IRD ବି because there is a policy they will say
ଆଇଆରଡି ପାର୍ଟି କରନ୍ତି ଠିକ
ହଁ,
ଅଛି
କରିଛି। 2 to
ଆଇଆରଡି
4
ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇବା କଥା
କରିଛି 2 to 4
ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ
ହଁ 2 to 4
For IRDA, Mr. Anand Das may be served a copy.
ଆଇଆରଡି
IRDA.
ଠିକ କପି
Yes,
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ଦେ
ଫଟାଫଟ ହେଇଯିବ
ଦେ ଦେ
ଆଉ
ତାହେଲେ 2 and 3 only notice
ତାଙ୍କୁ
and
ପଠେଇବେ ସେ ଆସିବ ଘଣ୍ଟେ ଲାଗିବ ଆପଣ
2 and 3 notice 4
Anand
and
Prakash Das.
2-3 by registered post and for 4
हाँ.
3 and 4
and 2 3 ହେଲା notice insurance 4 ହେଲା IRDA
4 IRDA let
AP Das.
be served on Mr. Anand Prakash Das who usually appears for IRDA hello
Okay.
list the matter on 24th. Oh, best. Next.
Item 30.
Item 30, Your Lordship, on last occasion, Your Lordship had issued a dusty notice. However, Your Lordship, the order wasn't uploaded on the website, which is why, Your Lordship, we couldn't verify the same. So if Your Lordship may grant us one more day, we'll issue notice, Your Lordship.
So you are for the transporter.
For the petitioner, yes, Your Lordship.
What is the issue?
Your Lordship, we had taken a cash credit loan from IndusInd Bank, and Your Lordship, we had also paid back for this whatever we had taken. Then consequently, Your Lordship, the loan account was not renewed by the bank, our loan account. And we asked for foreclosure of the account, after which the bank asked us for 7 lakh rupees, which we also, yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship, which we also paid.
That 7 lakh means what is the percent? 2%.
I'm unaware, Your Lordship. I was just handed over the file, so Your Lordship.
Whenever you have a foreclosure thing, just you know that.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So some banks, they don't charge foreclosure.
Right.
There is penalty kind of, not penalty, there is charges. Not penalty in that sense. There are some banks they don't. SBI doesn't charge. Other bank charges. Some private bank charges. Most of the private bank they charge. So that's why that if it is in the, so your grievance is against that foreclosure charge.
No, Your Lordship, they are also not, they're actually not releasing our documents, Your Lordship, which we require.
That is the only thing. So you are not, you don't have a complaint for charges.
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, then.
We've already paid that.
So who is for the bank? Anybody appearing? This is for the NBFC. This is
No,
I
Your
think
Lordship,
NBFC
IndusInd Bank.
or IndusInd Bank.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why have you made party to this small finance bank, AU small finance bank? Why have you made party? Last one, 3. What is the rule of this AU small finance bank?
Your Lordship, I'm completely unaware of this because 5 minutes ago I got this file and I could prepare whatever I'm submitting. And I just required 1 day's time, Your Lordship.
So issue notice. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why this, that's why accordingly I'll issue notice now. That's what I'm saying.
Your Lordship, Agarwal Transport Corporation, item 30, no, Your Lordship, versus IndusInd Bank.
That's correct. But you see the party, 2, 3, 3. Why this AU small finance bank is party? Should I issue notice or not? I have to find out. No?
AU Small Finance. Yes, Your Lordship.
Why this AU is important?
Your Lordship, I'll have to ask, sir, because I really don't. Siddhartha Das. Siddhartha Das, sir.
But you should have asked this AU because
yes,
I don't understand what is the rule of this 3.
Right, absolutely, sir. I'll clear it out, sir. If you just give me 1 day's time, sir, we'll also serve notice.
So I am issuing notice.
Yes, Your
What is your
Lordship.
name?
Ipshita Swai, Your Lordship.
Grand Constable of Petition, Ipshita Swai submits that. The petitioner has already closed the account and repaid the loan amount.
Yes, Your Lordship.
However, the documents, the no dispute certificate or affidavit has not yet been given by the bank, and she is constrained to approach this court. Issue notice to about so. And requisition may file within 3 days. This is the matter on 25th January.
Your Lordship, if you could consider day after tomorrow.
You have to who is the counsel for this? You can give them copy.
We'll serve copy by tomorrow.
By
only.
hand?
By tomorrow, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
Land Constable. Petitioner request to serve the copy on the counsel appearing for these banks during the course of the day. Listed matter on Friday.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Okay. Next.
Item 31.
31.
31 on behalf of Mr. Ishwar Mahanti. The matter may pass over.
That is already a disposed of case.
He has filed an IF in
Recall of the order.
recall of the order. Kindly pass over.
Error.
Right.
Pass. Next.
Item 32.
32.
May I please, Your Lord? Conviction under section 326/34. Sentence is 3 years and 10,000 fine.
So far as the co-accused is concerned, it's a village dispute between the family. My father and son, both are accused persons. Father was arrested, now he's in custody. Only after disposal of the appeal, the warrant was issued, we came to know. That is how I approached late.
What is the judgment?
Judgment, my lords. But at page 13, the allegation is, while the informant's mother was going to fetch water, both father and son, lordship, what page 13?
Yes.
Second, on 27.
Paragraph कितने कहले?
Second paragraph, paragraph 2, subpara. On 27, son is the informant. And about my name, while the informant's mother had gone to fetch water, the accused persons attacked her, being armed with deadly weapons such as kati, tenga, etc., and assaulted her. At first, the accused K. Sukuru, myself, assaulted the left hand of his mother by means of a tenga, as a result of which she fell down, while K. Juria was assaulting her by means of a tenga. Again, K. Sukuru assaulted her repeatedly on the leg,
What is the
head, and
this
means
is-
of kati. Kati.
Hmm.
So far I am concerned. Now, page 23, my lords.
No, what is 10,000? It is a period of 1 year and 10,000
So far my father is concerned.
And
So
for-
far I am concerned 3 years.
for 3 years.
I am on bail all throughout.
Hmm?
I am on bail all throughout during trial and appeal.
First time?
First time.
Admit. Stay relation of fine. In there.
Bail application.
Yes.
On surrendering, your lordship may say, because I am.
Yes, answer.
And that this matter may be tagged to criminal revision number 374 of 23. Same case.
This may be tagged to criminal division number
374 of 2023.
374 of 2023. Okay, next.
Urgent copy.
List the matter on 7th March. For final hearing.
Urgent copy.
Urgent. Ask the copy urgent. Next.
33.
That's our usual practice of
May I please, my
regular. Next.
May I please, my lord? There is no instruction from the parties.
I'll consider the petition. 33, Naira?
33.
33. Submits that. Despite best effort, the client counsel the petitioner has not able to establish contact with the present petitioner. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter, according to this disclosure. However, the petitioner has only cause of action. The buying. If any cause of action survives, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the court within 30 days from today. Hello? Next.
Item 34.
34.
Before also, my lord, no instructions.
Sam. Next.
35.
35. 35.
May I please?
I am appearing for opposite party, your lordship.
OFDC.
OFDC.
Who is for the petitioner? Petitioner Nandi.
Infracture say line.
Infracture.
Matter relates to promotion 2004.
He is retired.
Mala
Now he is
2000.
retired.
Mala liter କରିସାରି.
ଆପଣ sure ନାହିଁ.
Sir ସେତେବେଳକୁ ତାର ବୟସ ହେଇଥିଲା 70 କେତେ?
କେତେ? 70. 70 କେତେ?
47 ହେଇଥିଲା.
ହଁ?
47 2004.
2004 ରେ 47 ହେଲେ ଏବେ କେତେ ହେବ? କେତେ ହେବ? ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରି ଯାଇଥିବ?
ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରିଯାଇଛି.
Obviously, opposite party OFDC submits that since the petitioner has already retired, this matter become since the matter was pertaining to the promotion and the petitioner has already retired. Non-appeals for the petitioner. Next.
Item.
Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
35.
My lord.
35.
35, हाँ.
Sorry, my lord.
ये जो मैटर का विचार करूଥିଲେ 40 30
Five.
35 ये जो पुराना ओल्ड मैटर उडा खाली गोटे ऑब्जर्वेशन दे दोनु ना जेतु इयर ओल्ड मैटर उडा खाली गोटे ऑब्जर्वेशन रखंतु इफ एनी कॉज ऑफ एक्शन सर
अरे भाई सबुदर लेखा दिस इज नॉट मु स्टार्ट करसी मते बतौछ अरे कि सबुदर एते डिसमिस करा होछ मु तो लिखि दोछ कम से मासे टाइम दिया होछ मासे भीतर जार कह आई हैव स्टार्टेड लॉन्ग बिफोर दिस प्रैक्टिस आई सो मते तुम हटे कोन कहछ
Obliged.
सबुदर लेखा विदाउट सेइंग
Yes.
अनरिटन रूल ओके नेक्स्ट
36.
36 36. You are also saying something.
Our name is also reflecting in 35, so I am doing adjournment because we have no file along with.
That's how dispose of କରିଦେଇଛି ଯଦି କିଛି conservation ଥିବ ମାସେ ଭିତରେ ଖାଲି କର ହୋଇ ଏମିତି କେତେ ଚାଲିବ learn counsel petitioner also submit that despite best
I am only paying 7 days.
I am despite best effort she has failed to establish contact with the petitioner. Hala? It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. However, if any cause of action survives, the petitioner is directed to file an application for restoration of the present case within 30 days from today. Hala? 30 days for out of the scene. Our restoration Hala, next.
Item 36.
36. 36.
Compensation, my lord, there is no merit. My lord, for same order.
Compensation for what?
He was an election officer way back. His allegation of his averment was that while he was traveling towards conducting his duty, he met with an accident and lost functionality of 2 toes, for which he was asking for compensation. But ex-gratia compensation can only be allowed according to the state government's policy when there is loss of life or limb. On 10,000 rupees are already given to him. He wanted.
What has happened to him? He is lost.
While he was traveling.
He has lost what?
Two toe, left toe, I think on the left leg.
10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେ ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ସେ କରିବେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ନେତା ମାନଙ୍କ ତ କେତେ କେତେ ପଇସା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି
Insurance was rejected because of that reason. ତାଙ୍କର life and
ଏଟା କି state ପଇସା ଦେବ
ସେ claim କରୁଛି state.
State ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ପଇସା 50,000 ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 50,000 ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ 50 ଲୋକର ଟୋର ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ କଣ ଏତେ କମ 10,000 ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା କଲେ ବି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ସେତେ ପାଇବନି Okay. This is the matter some other day. 24th day. Non-episcopal petitioner. Next.
38.
38. 38. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
I am for the petitioner, my lords.
हाँ बोलो.
Lords, I am being led by Mr. Senior Advocate, Mr. S.
तुम बोलो तुम lead कर रहे हो भाई.
Lords, we have filed.
Junior counsel should lead in my court, not senior. Now you should argue the matter.
Lords, we have filed our counter, my lords, already.
Yeah, counter rejoinder କଥା ଏବେ କହିଲା ବୋଲେ ପୁରା dismiss କରି
No.
2004 ରେ matter counter rejoinder କଥା କହୁଛୁ.
No, sorry. I beg your pardon, my lords. I am for opposite party, my lords. I beg your pardon.
हाँ तुम भी ना.
I beg your
31
pardon.
तारीख रे निशा उतरी नहीं बोधे.
No, I beg your
बेसी
pardon.
लगे ଦେଇଥିଲ କି? ବୁଝିଲି କଲ petitioner respond କିଛି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛ ସିଧା.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
So you are for whom?
Opposite party number 1, 2, 3.
SAIL କଣ mo?
My lord, I am appearing for opposite part number 1.
ଏ decide କର toss coin ଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅ. କିଏ decide କିଏ appear କରିବ?
Okay.
ସିଏ ବି 1 ଆପଣ ବି 1.
Who case number? 37.
38 ଡାକିଲେ.
ଏଟା କୋଉଟା? 38. ଓ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତାହେଲେ ନିଶା
37 ନା my lord.
38 କଣ କଲା?
37.
37 पर not press?
I had no information regarding that.
Not press परा?
Not press करते.
अच्छा dispose of करो 37. 38 now
38 by I am all opposite parties. Opposite party 1, 2 and 3.
Who is opposite party sir?
Opposite party SAIL, my lord. Steel Authority of India.
Steel Authority of India रे आओ सीधा जान तो CAT जान तो steel इधर लायक करिवनी.
Because this is
CAT. SAIL should go to CAT.
Because this is
you bail the CAT there, not here. Hala? If you have any cause of action survive, you can go approach the CAT. CAT under agro nathile, have a CAT under aschi. Jaha service dispute CAT ko jibe. Hala?
Because petitioner to ke asinanti as your lordship
ମୁଁ ତ
pleases.
ସିଧି ପଠେଇ ଦଉଛି ଯେ ଆସିଲା ନାହିଁ ନା ନମ hello Lord Counsel with the cell opposite party cell submits that since the rate is maintainable sorry the এটা কোন पे ହେଇଥିଲା এটা?
Lords, this was regarding compassionate appointment way back in policy of 1989, my lords.
I think that can also be agitated there. Since the matter can be edited to the CAT, CAT. But principal bench. The approve the CAT.
Lords, as I have no power, my senior's name may be reflected.
Again, power pehla mo kotre power word use kariye. No power, you should not use power. What power? Who is what is you should use power kurche? I have not filed wakalat. Power good kono.
My senior name may kindly be reflected.
Audhare ko. Audhare ko.
My name does not reflect in the wakalat.
Hence that's right
senior.
sentence. Power koi. Power है ना तो पूर्ण कलेगा तो कोई था. Next.
I'm grateful, my lords.
Next.
Item 39.
39. 39. Anything survives, sir?
Sir, but he is to get some pensionary benefit.
Okay.
I will just give 2 pages note, my lord.
Okay.
So that
I think you have given one here.
my lord,
One is here.
that is
Old.
before I
You have prepared new one.
before I joined before the brief was handed over to me, I'll give only small 2 pages note. Because I will not get anything I'm returned back.
my lord.
Whatever if I get, I will get some additional pensionary benefits.
So you want time to file that?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Learn constable by 6-year constable submits that. He wants to file a written note of submission. Written note of submission the way.
Yes, small, your lordship may say a small note.
Small written note of submission along with a list of date, and the written note of submission should contain the question of law as well as facts in a precise form. Hala. Eta sabu note re rahibo. Okay?
Eguda ete sir कहले
ना एते कहला के माध्यम काहे ना आपण जो नोट गुडा दउछंती आपण को समझ प्राय होई लिस्ट ऑफ डेटा दे दे लिस्ट ऑफ मुंडा गंडी किछि नथियो आपण पॉइंट्स टू आर्ग्यू निहाती रहबा कथा नोट रे सेटा रहउनी
नहीं
पॉइंट्स ऑफ सबमिशन फैक्ट्स पॉइंट्स ऑफ सबमिशन लॉ एंती के रहबा कथा ना सेटा न लगी कोन लिखि दे गप्प ए गप्प कोन करबी शॉर्ट फॉर्म 1 लाइन 2 लाइन 3 लाइन एंती गुडे पॉइंट लिखि दे देले
ता सहित आपण
हमको सुविधा
नहीं सर आपण सहित मु देखुची आपण जजमेंट छडा आ कोन जजमेंट ए प्रोसेस ता नाही जोटा आपण कहिले
आपण टिके हमको हेल्प कले सब सिंधे चली
आपण तो लिमिट करते 2 पेज जेतरा सब हि पेज
हेई जबो सर मु लेके दिबी मु महाभारत को 2 पेज रे कंसाइज कर दिबी आपण एटा कोन कहउचंदी
I this time I will try.
आइटा ता केस ता
Yes sir. I'll
2 पेज रे सबुतर बढ़िया सबुतर प्रिसाइज जिंस सबुतर बेस्ट जानथंदी ब्रेविटी द सोल ऑफ विट आउ
I'll definitely
आसीबो 2 पेज आसीबो आपण चेष्टा करला आसीबो
sir, it's not a much problematic thing.
हां आराम से आसीबो and this you have to convey me.
Yes,
that is helping me only.
Yes sir.
No need to convey the हमें थोड़ी पेपर रे रिपोर्ट लिखुची आपण मते दे
no writing of essay.
Yeah,
I'll do it.
एकदम
Yes,
pointed form.
I'll say that you can
next
like my
I'm fixing it on which date we are comfortable. Next
which commencing
11 कर दी
sir. चल तो देखी देते
January 11.
My lords, my habit on 11th. Yes.
Okay, 11.
Yes, sir.
Our note is 11.
Yes, yes, sir. Most good.
Next.
Yes.
Item 40.
40. 40.
Mr. Basudev Pujari.
Yes.
Kindly allow time.
Kindly. आपण argue करबे नहीं की?
I have this.
You are given such a long time. I have seen.
Let this matter come.
What is the issue? What is the issue? किछि नाय दे सादबा कोन पे आवेते कोन अछि सर
Your matter punishment of compulsory retirement has been imposed in a disciplinary proceeding.
Then let her senior come in because say major things she can't access. You should also come prepared whenever the matter is there.
I have this much instruction only.
But you should have read the file. एते समय बसी फाइल सरी आंदानी जित समय बसली और फाइल पढ़ी सकथंदी नेक्स्ट टाइम फाइल पढ़ू दिबे हला ओके नेक्स्ट लिस्ट मैटर ऑन 25th. Next.
41.
41.
Lordship.
Time maga thoda baki koibe sabu time maga chhadi
Actually, when this matter is
time magi bini hala
Lordship, I am on behalf of Mr. Satyavati.
kaha behalf kale mu jane ni
Lordship,
mu kichi sunibi ni apan time magi bini
Lordship, this matter is regarding the regularization and regarding consequential benefits. But we are trying to get the instruction, the present position of the petitioner. Just 1 week time.
But I'll get back to, I'll argue the matter. I am
Okay.
assuring.
Grant counsel for the petitioner 6 1 week time to take instruction from the client since the old matter of 2006. Release the matter on 25th. 25th. Hala.
42.
42.
Please, my lords. This is the rehabilitation assistance scheme.
Sorry, sir?
Assistance.
Huh?
Rehabilitation assistance.
Okay.
Petitioner's husband was an employee of the erstwhile State Electricity Board, which was
बोर्ड रे को rehabilitation assistance दिया हुआ सर
thila setelku setelku
mo सीधा मते गोटे कथा कहंतु बोर्ड रो कोन एक्जिस्टेंस जे बोर्ड तो नाही हेबे अब
board to nahi tapara
बोर्ड rehabilitation किंतु दिया हबो
OPT rehabilitation no the in lieu of rehabilitation
Huh?
financial benefits, some financial benefits.
केम को benefit
Someone they sir counters one file korchanti, but ground of rejection is that I have applied in late.
केते delayed रे कली
5 to 6 almost 5 years.
5 years
No, my lord, that is not a fact. That I will convince. I will try.
What is the fact?
That is not a fact. Date of death is 17 May 1994. Petitioners. So on 5th May 1995, wife applied in Orissa rehabilitation assistance rules that was prevailing, that was applicable to the OSCB employees by that time. Appendix A.
एटा केबे हला ए जो
OPTC
ओएससीबी टा केबे ता डेथ केबे हला
17/5/94 डेथ
17/5/94 नहीं मो ओएससीबी रे डेथ पचारि सर आपन क्लाइंट रे डेथ हां ओएससीबी रे डेथ केबे हला
OSCB रो something
ओएससीबी आल्सो डेड ना
हां OSCB
सर
डेथ
केबे डेथ केबे हला
1 April 1996.
माने आपण ओएससीबी थिला भितरे ही आपण को डेथ ओके दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग ओके देन कोन हला
तापरे
you applied for that rehabilitation assistance scheme. Then what happened? Then what happened?
Then crux of the problem is subsequently I have come to know
only the ground is that you have belatedly applied.
Because this 5th May 1995
sir belated रे कोन करे जीवो belated किसी को
टंका तो समान देई परिबे ना लॉकेट बर्तन तो सर्विस काको दो नांती
सर्विस कोन देबे एबे तो कंपनी को दे देलनी आ कोन
ना कंपनी तो टंका दोची ना के लक्षे टंका से बहुत आगुर देई परथांते दैट दे हैव डिलेड दे से
आपण 5 वर्ष डिलेड रे किछ असुविधा नै आ से माने डिले करले असुविधा हला
आगे आगे
आपण कहउछथि 5 वर्ष डिले रे बोल कहउछ
नहीं 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 कोलाहांडी से लोक रोचें
कोलाहांडी ओडिसा रे नै कोलाहांडी काई एकदम छोटो लागुछथि मेडिकल कॉलेज इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज सब सिटी अछि आपण छोटो बाबू
आई नो लॉ इज इक्वल फॉर ऑल दैट आई नो मैटर बट प्रैक्टिकल सीम्स टू बी because she was illiterate.
से कौन को पोस्ट थिला लाइनमैन
No, she was
helper
clerk B.
Huh?
Clerk
B ta illiterate.
No.
The wife ta illiterate. Wife illiterate.
Wife. And I have given may see annexed 2 at page 10. Chettavale page 10 देखो 14 years po beta 10 वर्ष 8 वर्ष यार wife रो age होती 42 years. 42 years. Now I have quoted the rejection order in my read petitions.
Rejection order कोडी अछि फाइल करछि
हां परीक्षा
फाइल करछि कहली
एटा काइंड देखो page 5 I have quoted.
But you have not filed that order.
Again,
you have not filed that order.
Yes, Annex 4. That is Annex 4.
Annex 4.
Contents of that read, contents of that I have, that was subsequently as given to me. My lord, may I read that?
Late submission of legal error.
This is not a fact. That's what I am trying to convey. This is not a fact.
Not a fact. Who will decide there is a fact or not a fact? Sir, co basis re apana mate fact not a fact konthu.
Yes.
On what basis you are saying it is not a fact?
My lord, let's kindly turn to page Annex 6, page 14.
Annex 6.
Mu tin charta Annex dekhibi. If I can succeed in convincing my lords, then it's true. Otherwise, I don't have any case.
Original repetition received from MST.
This division and other documents towards sanction of rehabilitation assistance scheme adopted during 1997. 2 years for a thorough nation.
So now acha good just before you go to that.
Yes, ma'am.
OSCP gala pare ebe apno ke debo ki ebe
OPTCL dabo. They have given the counter.
OPTCL debo
Kaise boli samane they have taken liabilities
liability
assets.
ସବୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Yes, liabilities
but
assets. ସେମାନେ counter ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କାରଣ
that's
number
ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି
1 and 2 they have not filed the counter.
Okay ଏଟା ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ next document Wesco କଣ ହେଲା ଏଥିରେ
Further, I am to request you that arrest scheme adopted by the GRIDCO during 1997 let even Triparty expire on 17/5/94. After 3 years of the expire of late Triparty, Clause B, the above scheme is adopted. Srimati Triparty, wife of late, is an illiterate lady having 4 children staying at a distance place from Bhawanipatna. If her case for sanction of assistance is not considered, she is required to observe under rehabilitation scheme as per previous practice. Therefore, it is requested that her case may please be considered favorably in sanctioning either an amount of rupees 1 lakh.
No, sir, one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
You are saying if the you are in time, right? You have applied in time. So
Within 1 year.
From which document you say?
Within 1 year, my lord, they have not denied. They say simply say.
No. The delay part, how do you convince me that
My lord,
5-year delay, 4-year?
My lord, that's why I'm trying to see those 2 to 3 documents. Well, because 1995 documents, she was not having. Only she has written.
When did you first approach the authority about that, implementing the death of your husband and all the things?
Page 11.
Page
11, annexed 3. To the executive engineer, Polahandi, I, Srimati Tripathi, late Tripathi, beg to state that my health condition is not suitable for OSCB job. Therefore, I request you to kindly be allowed for appointment to my son, Sri Lingaraj Tripathi, who is now reading in class 10 at Junagadh. Therefore,
so that is which date? That is 95 records.
95.
So that means you are in time. That means you are in time.
They don't deny this document, but say it is not in time. My predicament is subsequently, which I subsequently come to know that this document was not sent to the headquarters for taking necessary action. Whereas other people who have died subsequently.
They will issued by the clerk also. You sign it, right?
They don't deny this because I cannot.
Okay, let's get the response from the OPTCL. Who is appearing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm pressing.
No. Who is appearing, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
ସେ ଲୋକଟା ଆଇଲେ ତମକୁ କହିବି ନା କିଏ ଅଛି OPTCL କିଏ appear କରୁଛି OPTCL appear କିଏ କରୁଛି anybody appearing for OPTCL
ଭିସିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
କିଏ ଅଛି
ଭିସିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି
ଭିସିରେ ସେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ୱେସ୍କୋ ପାଇଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା ଗ୍ରିଡ୍କୋ
you are appearing madam
My lord, actually the file has been misplaced, but from GRIDCO I have the instruction to appear. But I will take instruction, although I was appearing in some
you
of
can
the
take the file from
my lord, I had submitted earlier. To that extent, I have got a receipt with me.
Oh.
They have given you the file, madam.
In 18.
You take instruction on that.
On
The
18,
delay was not there. Delay was not there. She has submitted the application and it was in 95. There is not delayed.
I will take instruction.
And you take instruction and pay the compensation.
I will take instruction.
Whatever. Job to there nahi hai compensation de diyantu. Compensation किसे diyantu?
Financial.
He died while in office. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have to pay some compensation. You can't go like that. You're your employee.
And we have the scheme for rehabilitation assistance.
Yes, then allow him.
As the conducting council is not there, as to which
Who is the conducting council?
It has expired since 2020. And
now you are the conducting council.
Yes, but
so you take instruction.
Yes.
Learn council for the GRIDCO. GRIDCO, na?
Yes.
Miss S. Patnaik.
But GRIDCO, but
अपन कहाँ पाई
Gridco paying, but after 2005, my lord, the OPTCL has taken all the liabilities.
So now you are for OPTCL ଆପଣ ନାହାନ୍ତି
I will
OPTCL
take
ପାଇଁ କିଏ ଅଛି
instruction.
My lord, proceed Mr. M.R. Dhar.
ହଁ
Yes.
ତ ଆପଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି OPTCL ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ
They have filed the
instruction
counter.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ OPTCL ର ଲାଇବିଲିଟି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଦେବେ ଏଟା ବି ଆପଣ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ ହେଇଗଲା ହେଇଗଲା land council
They have filed the counter.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ସେ ଫାଇଲ କରି ସେ ନିଜେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଆଉ କିଏ ଥିବ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି land council for the OPTCL Mr. Madam MR Dhar submits that he will take instruction who is present in the court and this court requests him to take up the issue take up the matter and accordingly he is permitted to file the wakalatnama ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଅଛି ତାପରେ ଆଉ କଣ ନାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Yes, yes.
ସାର୍ ଅଛି ସବୁ ସବୁ ଅଛି okay accordingly sir
Who is continuing? M.R. Dhar is here.
let him take the instruction from the sir counter instruction ନିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଦେବେ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି counter ରେ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିଲେ let's go to counter ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଦେଖୁନଥିଲି ଏବେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିବା counter କାହିଁ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଦେବେନି ନା ଆପଣ ବି ସେ ଲେଟ୍ ବୋଲି ପଳେଇବେ ଲେଟ୍ ରେ ଖସି ପାରିବେନି
ସେ ଲେଟ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ
ଲେଟ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଲେଟ୍ ନାହିଁ ଠିକ ଟାଇମ ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ପାରା 3 ଦେଖ
liability and assistance cannot be claimed as a matter of right ଠିକ ଅଛି ଲାଇଟ୍ ତ ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ତ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ assistance ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହଁ land council for the opposite party OPTCL is directed to take instruction regarding the financial assistance to the eligible legal heir of the to the petitioner like that petitioner hala list the matter on 25th okay next
43.
43
no instruction.
no instruction
Yes.
same order Gaji.
Liberty.
Despite by separate land council petitioner has failed to establish contact with the petitioner accordingly it seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter however the petitioner is granted liberty to get the application restored if any cause of action lies restored within 30 days if any cause of action survives hala
Problem.
next
Item 44.
44
my lord. Earlier occasion it was allowed, the writ petition was allowed. Then the opposite party filed the writ appeal and that has been remanded. So we need some.
This is remanded matter?
Yes, remanded.
So you want
Time
time
to go
Land
to the
council for the-
latest judgment.
you are for the
I am for the petitioner.
land council for the petitioner 1 week time
1 week.
1 week time to get prepared since it's an old matter accordingly list the matter on 19th next
Item 45.
45
My lord, 49, I may be very opposed, my lord. File has been file time space is खाली क्या
फाइल में स्पेस दे दियो कॉपी एडो कॉपी दे दीजिए फोटोकॉपी कर दे दे हम फाइल दे दे फोटोकॉपी फेर देबे नहीं एबे नहीं कि जानतो सीधा फेर गैस सीधा आउ लेट नहीं संगे संग दिबे संगे संग पर नला आपण जूनियर काउड पटे जानसे
फाइल टा
सर मु फाइल दोची आपण को पूरा
सॉरी सर
हां फाइल दोची आपण फाइल काई खोजिबे नहीं फोटोकॉपी आनि तो नहीं आसी गला दे दे कॉपी दे दे एबे आनि कि फेरेबे किंतु गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी you have to return back
এটা এন্টারটা জেরক্স করে
ଗୋଟେ পেজ ବି ଆଡେ ସେଟା ହବା କଥା
my lord it will take some time for xerox
ଜେରକ୍ସ ତ ଏବେ ତ ଆପଣ କରିବେ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଫେରେଇ ଦେବେ ଗଲା ଆଉ ଆପଣ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଫେରେଇ ଦେବେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ହଉ ତିନିଟା ବେଳେ ଦେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହେଲା ଦେଇଦେବେ ଦେଖ ଓକେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅନ୍ ଆମର ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଫିକ୍ସିଂ ଇଟ୍ ଫର 18 ହେଲା ବାକି ଫାଇଲଟା ଏବେ ନେଇକି ଫେରେଇକି ଦେଇଦେବେ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 47.
47
Pass over, madam.
ପାସ୍ ହେବା
Yes, madam.
କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ
Madam,
Huh?
other portrait is also.
କିଏ
Mrs. Panda.
Mr.
Madhumita
Panda?
Yes, Madhumita
Who
Panda. Madhumita Panda.
ପାଣ୍ଡା
No, no, Panda. Sorry, madam.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ବାସ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 49.
49
17th.
କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲେ
17th.
ବିଜୟ ବେହେରା
17th January को item.
ଏଇଟା ଏଇଟା
No, no. 48. 49.
49 କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ? Non appears.
ସେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଥିରେ stay is operating against state my lord that matter that
Dismiss ତ କରିଦେବି କେତେ ଥର ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି ଦେଖିଲ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଦେଖ କେତେ ଥର ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି?
last time ସେ ଟାଇମ୍ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଆସିକିରି ହଁ ଟାଇମ୍ ନେଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ବାପାଙ୍କର କଣ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଫାଦର ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କ ଜୁନିୟର ଟାଇମ୍ ନେଇଥିଲେ ବଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ ଫିକ୍ସ ଟୁ 22nd ସେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
At the last chance, the petitioner is granted 1 week time to put forth his case, failing which the matter shall be decided expert. List the matter on 12. Rush. Next.
50.
50.
Last that directed to implement the Union of India as a party.
You have implemented?
I file an IA for implementing the Union of India to Department of.
The copy has not been served. The copy has not been served.
Serve there कर दिया तू? हमें दे दे।
पूरा consultant सो दे दी।
फाइल कर चली ना करीबे?
ये फाइल कर दी चाहिए।
Number?
I already filed.
Number?
IA number. No, 2043
is allowed. Implement application, seeking permission to implement Union of India is allowed.
And consolidated.
Implement application seeking permission to implement Union of India is allowed. List the matter on and notice is issued.
I'll copy.
Learn for the Union of India be served a copy by the petitioner during the course of the day. Hala?
No, let's say tomorrow, by tomorrow. So the bulky record.
Within 3 days. List the matter on 29.
The registry directed to accept the consolidated cost title.
Okay, registry directed to accept the consolidated cost title.
All 3 matters are set.
So, next.
Item 52.
52. 52.
52 may have taken action next week. On the last occasion, your lordship directed to serve notice to the opposite parties along with the requisite. I have not served because no, I have not served.
Not considered petitioner. करना दी?
नहीं,
My lord,
फाइल करना दी?
my lord, I have appeared.
kindly given
Office number
आपण कहाँ पाई?
ESI Corporation, my lord.
आउ की पार्टी ऐसी? आउ पार्टी आउ की ऐसी?
State government, I think.
कहाँ को अपन सर्व करना दी? तांको सर्व कर दे अपन पाई जंती कॉपी?
Copy notice received by the corporation Indore. But the same is not communicated to me. Only Bhakalatnwa was received by me and I appeared. So copy of writ application may be. I have filed. A copy of writ application may be served on me.
Okay, learn counsel the petitioner to serve a copy of the petition on the counsel for the opposite party. 1.
And OP2 is the employees state hospital under the director ESI scheme. State government.
ठीक है जी ये एटा रिक्वेस्ट फाइल कर दी
नहीं सर
रिक्वेस्ट फाइल करंतु अब नोटिस कम पाएगी अपन 3 दिन टाइम दिया होची सेत बेर रिक्वेस्ट फाइल करे पई
kindly
now counsel for the petitioner is also directed to file the request for the other opposite parties which shall be served through registered post. List the matter on 7th February. Next.
My lord, copy of writ application on.
Sir, मगामगी होंदु सब मु लिखिबी सब कथा आपण रीड कॉपी मागि हेडबी अब एतिक कर परबिनी. I am not supposed to write everything. Next.
53.
आपण दे दियंतु आजी. हां नॉदल नेक्स्ट टाइम आपण कॉस्ट पकेबी 1000. Next.
May I please? By order number 4 dated 12/12/23, the lordship directed since the entire amount OTS amount has been paid, the bank to take instruction and to close the account and issue the NDC.
Anybody appear?
So gala dithar time nahi thile.
Bank wala kina diya ji?
Mr. Tunasaw had taken time on the last occasion 21/12.
Aji to thile Mr. Tunasaw kode gale. Where is Mr. Tunasaw? Aja ebe thile dekhi debe. Dita ale lagai dechi.
Again,
Next.
54.
54.
Lord, going to some medical emergency, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Tripathi, I pray for a time.
Okay, land council for the petitioner. 6 1 at time.
Lord, taken up.
We'll end up the council, the lead council. Is the matter on 17? 17? Or you want more?
No, madam. I'm ready only if tomorrow also, if your lordship pleases, it may be taken.
Anything habo tomorrow. If either this is a date fix karibe tomorrow also.
As your lordship pleases, madam. As your lordship pleases.
हाँ, good date fix करेंगे और tomorrow also कोना. अब tomorrow कल ही नहीं होते tomorrow. You are saying a medical emergency. That's why I have given 1 week time.
As your lordship pleases.
Tomorrow also. तारता medical emergency नहीं court रही भी out court रही.
No.
Tomorrow fix it tomorrow. Tomorrow. Unnecessary. Time मागियो सेटा ही properly तापी पत्ती भी मु.
Yeah, किसी problem नथला से actually
किसी problem नथला medical emergency कहले बोले how one
my lord oblige. As your lordship please.
Next.
55.
55.
I am appealing for the OP number 2 and 3, private financial matter.
Private financial
Matter.
What issue?
My lord, repossession of the vehicle, my lord, for non-payment of 3 consecutive installments.
So you are for the loanee.
My lord, I am for the loan.
For the loanee.
My lord, I am for
What is that outstanding amount?
outstanding amount, my lord, as per their statement, my lord. Statement is there, my lord.
Outstanding, I have given the statement.
देखी कौन तू? Outstanding amount कितने?
Outstanding होची दीटा vehicle. OD number 33 AD 6499, जोड़ा read petition number 40203 रे 3,39,499. आरडा होची
outstanding.
Outstanding till today.
How?
आरडा होची
ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଟିକେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅଫିସ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ବସିକି 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତିନି. It should have solved within 5 minutes.
अच्छा
କିଛି ଫାଇଲ ଗୋଟେ ବସିଦେଲେ 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ସେତିକି କରିବିନି. ଏଠି ସବୁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିବି ଆସିକି. ଏକ୍ସାମ ହଲରେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିବାଟା ମୁଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଖିଛି. ଆପଣ
because there are two
ଏକ୍ସାମ ହଲରେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରୁଥିଲେ?
3,49,750.
ଏ ତ କହିବେ ଏତେ ଫଟାଫଟ.
My lord, what I pray, my lord. Your lord, you can direct my lord and friend, my lord, to give me the statement, my lord.
Yes,
Give a
yes,
statement.
I will
Kindly
supply.
Kindly
But
take up
a
this
copy
matter.
of the
Can
read
you take
petition.
instruction from your client? If
My lord,
it is
your lord,
6
kindly-
lakh something odd amount, they can.
Your lord, you kindly take up this matter day after tomorrow, my lord. I will.
My lord,
oblige you.
copy of the read petition has not been supplied. So
Okay, good.
Notice sir, ଆପଣ ପଠେଇଲେ
Notice
supplied means
only certified copy.
request for the good
I
copy
agree.
ଦେବି my lord.
Copy ଟା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
Okay, not supplied means
Okay.
it's a
This there is
Only
no
read,
parallel on this. Copy,
order
sir.
ଟା ହିଁ ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି.
Okay, give a copy and consult the
Order
petition.
copy,
Some
my
copy and consult the
order copy, my lord.
the opposite party and opposite party 2.
Copy number 2 and 3.
2 and 3, my lord.
Okay, and the land council for the opposite party 2 and 3 shall give the details of the outstanding amount.
Yes.
To be payable by the petitioner.
ଏବେ ଦେଇଦଉଛି supply କର.
Take instruction. If you can pay it 6 odd lakh is there.
My lord,
Pay it, finish it.
my lord, she kindly take up this matter next. My lord, day after tomorrow, my
Take
lord.
amount day after tomorrow for the 5th Friday.
ମୁଁ copy ଟା ଦେବି.
Friday କରୁନି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ Tuesday Friday ଗୁଡାଏ matter ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଉ ବାହାରି ଯିବ.
My lord, today
List ବାହାରି ଯିବ.
Then Monday, my lord.
Monday କରିଦେବ.
today I am supplying the statement of account.
ठीक है. ଏବେ ତ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆଉ.
हाँ, ଦେଇଦେବି,
Today
ଦେଇଦେବି.
ଏବେ now. Next
56.
56.
56 my lord, on behalf of Lord DAJ, kindly it may be possible.
Possible. Okay, possible. Next
57.
57. 57 କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ Mr. ସାମନ୍ତରାୟ? ନାହାନ୍ତି? ଠିକ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ କରିଦିଅ. 58.
58.
Lords, I am on behalf of Mr. Patti, Mr. Manoj Kumar Patti. At morning, I am seeking for some adjournment.
Okay. Okay. When do you want? Opposite party କହିଲେ କି ନାହାନ୍ତି?
No,
Okay. Non appears for the opposite party. And council petitioner 6 2 weeks time to 2 weeks time. 25th. Next.
Item
59.
59.
59.
সকালে টাইম মাগুছে
Okay, time magus. Non-APS further. Non-APS. The petitioner. ये कहाँ पे है सर? Item 60. अच्छा 60. खोर्धा. Okay. ले दे सही. February 13 कर. February 13. Next.
Item 60.
60.
Kindly may pass over the matter.
Okay, pass over.
Obliged.
61.
61 adjourn হয়ে গেছে।
Adjourn.
62.
62 में भी क्या हुआ 62?
62 the your
डावर वाला को
Dower matter.
प्रॉब्लम क्यों?
They have filed a reject
हाँ.
and they have doubted the report of the testing report of the year. I have sought for certain instructions.
We have not
What is the
doubted.
testing report, sir?
We have not doubted. We have just taken out
Raised
whatever is
question
wrong
in the
with that.
My lord, we have to take. I have to take instruction on that matter only. Your lordship may call up on Monday.
Just for my consumption, can you tell me one thing?
My lord.
How the excise people come into picture in this case?
Before that, I am also confused how the Dabbar people has come.
This is a good joke.
That is my
No,
confusion.
because no, now the confusion may be with my learned friend because his Caesar report says something and the analysis report, it has been written that it's a 500 ml illicit distilled liquor.
Liquor ଯାଉଥିଲା
बोले କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
That's
report liquor ଟା କୋଉଠି ଥିଲା?
kindly see the seizure list at page 12.
ଏହା ତ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯଦି କରନ୍ତି ପୋଲିସ ବାଲା ଗାଞ୍ଜା ବାଲା ଗାଞ୍ଜା ଯଦି ନଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ଜିପରେ ଥାଏ ଆଣିକି ପୁରେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଗାଞ୍ଜା ତାପରେ ବିଚାରା ମଲା ସେ ତାପରେ ବେଲ ମିଳିବନି ହେ ଏହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ପୁରା ମୁଁ ମାନେ I was doing a case long back. ଗାଞ୍ଜା ଧରିକି ବୋଲି କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ଖବର ପାଇଲେ କି ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ମେଡିସିନ ଦୋକାନଟା ବିଚାରା ଯାଉଛି ତାର ସାମାନ ନେଇକି ଯାଉଛି ତା ଡ୍ରାଇଭରକୁ ଅଟକେଇଲେ ଏଇ ତୋର ଏଥିରେ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ଅଛି ଇଏ କଲେ ମାନେ ସବୁ ଇଏ କଲେ ପାଇଲେନି ସେ ଇଏ କଲା ଭିତରେ ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ତାର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
କିଣିକି ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ସଞ୍ଜୀବନୀ ସୁରା ପିଉଥିଲେ ଏକ୍ସାଇଜ ଅଫିସର ରେଡ୍ କଲେ ଗ୍ରୋସରୀ ଶପ୍।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା କଣ ସେ ଇଏ ମାନେ କଫ୍ ସିରପ୍ ଭଳିଆ ସୁରା ସଞ୍ଜୀବନୀ ସୁରା
ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ସଞ୍ଜୀବନୀ
Murthy Sanjeevan is more like an energy drink.
energy drink
energy drink.
having alcohol percentage of 11%.
But that is not your এটা তো
Naturally formulated
କାହାର
Ayurvedic
jurisdiction ଆସିବ ଏଟା
preparation. Drugs and cosmetics.
କାହିଁକି ଏକ୍ସାଇଜ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆସିଲା your lordship?
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି
ସେଇଟା as per section 52 of the Odisha Excise Act, once there is an adulteration, let us I am giving you an example.
नहीं adulteration of wine रे की ହେଲା ସେଟା
But that will be also by the drugs inspector.
Your lordship will appreciate. There is a
sir just
container of medicine. Inside the medicine, the excise officers are doubted that some liquor is being supplied.
ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାନେ କହିବା କଥା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ମେଡିସିନ ସେଇ ଗାଡିରେ ଲିକର ବି ଯାଉଥିଲା ଅଲଗା କରି
ଏଇଟା ଗାଡି ନୁହେଁ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ
ମିଶିକି ଥିଲା
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଦୋକାନରେ ଥିଲା
ସାର୍ ଦୋକାନରେ ଥିଲେ ତ ଏଇଟା ଡ୍ରଗ୍ସ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ପର୍ଭିରେ ଆସିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପର୍ଭିରେ କେମିତି ଆଇଲା
ଦୋକାନରେ ଥିଲା ଆମ ପର୍ଭିକୁ ଆସିଲା
something unbelievable sir
because your lordship will see
that is beyond your see ଯଦି ମଦ ନଉଥାନ୍ତା ସେଥିରେ ଯଦି କିଛି ମିକ୍ସ କରିଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆସୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ମେଡିସିନ ନଉଛି ସେ ଯାହା ବି ମେଡିସିନ ଟା ସେ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ପସ ୟୁଜ ହଉ ମେଡିସିନ ନଉଛି ତା ଭିତରେ ମେଡିସିନ ସବୁ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ମେଡିସିନ ମିଶା ହେଇଛି ଡ୍ରଗ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର କାମ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କାହିଁକି କାମ ସେଠି
my lord will appreciate that once the medicine ରେ ତାଙ୍କର percentage ଅଛି
ମେଡିସିନ ଯେତେ ପରସେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍
as per the my lord I will clarify that one your lordship kindly
I'm not convinced
2 days I will clarify
I'm not convinced at all
your lordship
jurisdiction ବାହାରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
your lordship kindly see
ମାଲ ଫାଲ ପକେଇଲେନି ବୋଧେ ସିଧା କଥା
grocery shop ରୁ 139 cartoons your lordship
139 cartoon କଣ
of
this sura
sura
not your desi tharra
no my lord having more percentage of alcohol than it has been printed
sir that is if that is so
my lord
that is a jurisdiction of drug inspector sir How can you enter into the province where we are not entitled to?
Once, your lordship can imagine, once there is a above the percentage of the alcohol
Fine,
is
but-
there,
But fine, but that is the
and
under
the
the
people
again.
are consuming openly.
Sir, that is again drugs inspector বুঝিব না সেটা।
Like homeopathy medicine has 99% alcohol.
হ্যাঁ
So then nobody can sell it, nobody can consume it.
সেই গুলিরে পকাই দেলে সেটা ইয়ে হয়ে যায়।
ତା ଦେହରେ ପକେଇକି
ସବୁଥିରେ ସେ
ମିଠା
ସେଇ ସେ ଧଳା ଗୁଳି ପକେଇ ଦେଲେ। ତାହେଲେ ତ ହୋମିଓପାଥିକ ଦୋକାନକୁ ଆପଣ ଇଏ ବାଲା ଆଗରୁ
first every day. Because they also contain in large bottles the stock, and from there they pour it.
No, they do have the license below.
No,
But this person is nowhere connected to
Sir,
the
I am not on that. I am on the jurisdiction. You have other department, they should have done that.
Before that, what is my confusion that how the Dapper people is affected? Because they are not.
affected. Tama saman nahi ହେଇଛି, affected
ସେମାନେ
ହେଇନି କିଛି।
କହୁଛନ୍ତି now in the region they are telling that is not their product.
No, what the report they have mentioned is like what they have seized is some 3,300 bottles of 375 ml liquid, which is the Sanjeevan Sura. The report what they have given, it says 500, the full detail of sample received, 500 ml of illicit distilled liquor marked as A1. They don't, neither they have mentioned it anything, and this is the basis on which the seizure has been done. So that also doesn't match.
So neither a notice has been issued to the Dapper, nor any agent has been caught hold of. Only
Yes.
No.
Criminal case.
Criminal case has been
Lecture P/4 is criminal case has been
initiated against that person who has kept that 139 cartons of
He's a
in a grocery shop.
Not a grocery store.
Yes, it has been mentioned in the seizure list. Your lordship, kindly see my counter paste.
आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट तो grocery से बिकती ग्रोसरी store में बिका हुआ है। देखिए लवण भास्कर को बिका हुआ है।
License required मिला।
No.
Drugs license required.
କିଛି medicine से drugs दरकार नहीं, license दरकार नहीं। गुड़ाए आयुर्वेदिक medicine से जो तुम्हें दरकार नहीं। आपने जो
Aula, Horida, Bahada, and all these those are sold in the open market also.
କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୁଡାଏ ଲବଣ ଭାସ୍କର କଣ ସବୁ ଥାଏ ତା ପାଇଁ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ସେଟା ଏମିତି ବିକ୍ରି ହୁଏ। ସାଧା ଦୋକାନ ବି ରଖନ୍ତି।
Let my friend take the clarification if he wants.
Okay, Monday कर दो।
Tuesday your lordship.
Tuesday,
All right.
Listen, madam. Take clear instruction खत्म करो क्या लेटर धर के बच्चे। Clear instruction है कि
Ninth, my learned friend has some percentage. If it can be on 10th or 8th, whatever some petitioner along with.
ठीक
10th if you
10th कर
10th. And interim order to cut.
interim order continue. Next
Oblige.
64
63.
oh 63
My lord, in 63, I have filed an IA, my lord, and served a copy on the opposite party, but it has not come on record, my lord.
okay, let the IA be
My pleasure, lords.
record. Number is
IA number 6 of 2024.
let the IA number 6
6 of 2024.
6 of 2024. Oh, the 24th 6 okay. Be taken on record. Next list the matter on 19
Man.
Okay. 63
64.
oh 64
64.
Paper book has not been supplied.
की सब लग रही हो आप कहाँ पाई
I am for the petitioner, Judge.
सप्लाई का की करियो आप पर पिटिशनर
Yes, sir.
की सब लग रही हो
Court will supply.
हाँ
Court will supply.
पिटिशनर अपन पाकर कर सकते नहीं
Yes, everything is available.
कहीं सब लग रही हो
पेपर बुक तो तैयारी ही नहीं सर।
हाँ?
तैयारी ही नहीं पेपर बुक।
वो अच्छा ये जो ये पाई
Convicted matter, madam. Convicted.
फाइनल आर्गुमेंट
Madam.
ठीक है पेपर बुक let the registry prepare the paper book and on payment the paper will be made available on payment to the petitioner.
Oblige.
रिविजन दरकार की रिविजन दरकार है सीआरएल हां ठीक है ठीक
Oblige.
list the matter on 24 for final hearing
Madam.
24 for final.
March, madam. February, madam.
नहीं यही जनवरी में कौन फेब्रुआरी जाଉଛି
March first week.
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ପେପର ବୁକ୍ କହିଲି ସବୁ କହିଲି ଫେବ୍ରୁଆରୀ କାହିଁ ଯିବି
March first week.
କାହିଁ ଫେବ୍ରୁଆରୀ को ପସନ୍ଦ नहीं
Yes, sir.
ଖରାପ ମନ
No, no.
ତାର ଠିକ ଅଛି ମେ ଲଗାଅ ଆଉ କଥା ତ
No, February, January.
ସିଏ କାଇଁ ମୋ ଡେଟ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବେନି
Okay.
ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଇଛି ଏଟା ଫାଇନାଲ
24 January, madam.
ହଁ କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
24.
24 ଜାନୁଆରୀ
Oblige.
ତ ଦେବେ ଗଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ
madam.
ଯଦି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବାହାରି ଯିବ
Madam,
ଆଉ କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ଡିଲେ କଲେ କଣ ମିଳିବ
Madam.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ପଇସା ଫଇସା ଦେଇନି କି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେମିତି
ଆଉ ଡିଲେ କଲେ ଆଉ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ତାକୁ ରଖିବେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ହେଲେ କମ ଟାଇମ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ସ୍କୋପ ପାଇବେନି ବେଶୀ ତାଠୁ ନେବା ପାଇଁ
madam.
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
Oblige.
ଓକେ
65.
65 65 ଏଇଟା କଣ ସାର୍
Opposite party, the London master has acquitted.
ଆପଣ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ବି କାହା ପାଇଁ
Opposite party in front.
65 ରେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଅଛି ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ନା
State, ମୁଁ opposite party no 2.
ଆପଣ କିଏ
ମୁଁ complainant.
କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଇଏ କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ ପିଟିସନର କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ ନନ୍ appeals for the petitioner list the matter on February 2020 February 2022
My name.
your name is there sir not there हाँ अच्छी था हमारे
My name reflected in the order sheet. I was present.
हाँ
59 ଟା ମାଇଲର ପାସ୍ ଓଭର ନନ୍ ଆପେରେନ୍ସ ହେଇଯାଇଛି 59 ଟା 59 ଆଇଟମ ଟା
ନନ୍ appearance ତ ନଥିଲେ ଆଉ କେମିତି କରନ୍ତି
ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ଆସିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆମ ନନ୍ appearance ନଥିଲେ ଆଉ କଣ
ପାସ୍ ଓଭର ହଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ପାସୱାର୍ଡ କରିଦେ
ସେ ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିଥିଲି
ସେ ପଳେଇଲେଣି
ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିଥିଲି
ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ୍
ସେଥିରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ୱାଇଫ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କିଛି ବୁଝୁଛି ସେ କେବେ ଡେଟ୍ ଲାଗିଛି ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ଆସିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ କେବେ 3/2
ଜାନୁଆରୀ ମାସ
3/2 ରେ ଆସିବେ ଗଲା
ଜାନୁଆରୀ ମାସରେ ଆସିବ
13 ଦିନ
ଦିଟା ଛୁଆ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପଇସା ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଟା
ଏଟା ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ଟା ପଇସା ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ହଁ
of that already 12 12
Item 56, my lord,
12 ଫେବୃଆରୀ ମାସ
56 pass
password.
12 ଜାନୁଆରୀ ନା ଫେବୃଆରୀ ମାସ
12 January
Sir, may I mention
you are saying yes
the order, the judgment reserved on 30th November. Tech Mahindra.
oh take mine okay buda
Oblige.
thank you ପଚାରୁଛି ଆଉ ଆଲିଆ ଡେଟ୍ କହିଲେ ଆଲିଆ କରିଦେବି
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସାର୍ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍
ଫାଇନ୍
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍
ଓକେ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଓବ୍ଲାଇଜ ମୋ ସାର୍
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 31.
53 million.
saying something Mr. Sahu
Milord, any because some instruction ought to have come, so 1 week time is actually
co matter
53, my lord.
53 53 ରେ
That's under two occasions they have taken.
sir ଆପଣ against a serious allegation you have been taking time for the last two occasions
Milord, I will complain. My lord's order will be complained.
Interest of 2.5 lakh ଟଙ୍କାର କେତେ interest?
खत्म कर दें तुम काहे दे
Instruction.
That
That
is the
instruction
order,
will
my
come.
lord. Lord may see.
just you take it Monday लगे दूसरी sir Monday खत्म कर Mr. Sahu no further day no further I mean adjournment in this matter
2.5 lakh ଟଙ୍କାର
Milord, oblige.
whatever interest you just they'll pay pay कर देंगे अपन नहीं आसन तो instruction जोड़ा
Milord, definitely, Milord, definitely.
so Monday कर दो
Definitely, Milord. Oblige.
next कोड़ा
Item 31.
Please, miss. Item 31, I'm appearing for LIC. I filed an
which for the petitioner
petition.
Mr. Raut नहीं है
Just let it come.
non appeals for the petitioner this is the matter on 29th
29. Grateful.
next
Item number 47.
47 what is the matter about
My lord, this is regarding the promotions, my lord.
so you are working on under Orissa
I have
legislative
retired,
assembly
my lord. I have already retired and that I was appointed initially in the year 1980. After that, they have been retrenched me and subsequently they are reappointed me. But after when they have retrenched me, I approached my lord and my lord direct to absorb me in my previous post. In spite of observing, they have reappointed me, that is a fresh appointment. And as per the direction of my lord, they have complied the previous order of my lord, and they have continued my appointment from 18. And
They have regularized.
Yes.
Hmm.
And as they have already admitted that my appointment is go to the 1980, I only pray that considering my initial appointment from 1980, I should be promoted as per the relevant rules when I was eligible for promotions. That is my case. And in this case, previously,
Se ebe promote କରାଯାଇ ଆପଣ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରି ସାରିଲେଣି ଏବେ କେମିତି ମାନେ notional.
yes, notional promotion they can give and
But promotion is not a matter of right. ଆପଣ
I was
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା?
Malab,
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା କଣ ପାଇଁ?
that was subject to the speaker's appointment. When the speakers will join in the post, and I was my appointment was at
So
that.
co-terminus post.
Yes.
Co-terminus
Yes,
post.
that-
So co-terminus post ରେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି
Well, already my position has already been set.
But promotion କେମିତି ଆପଣ promotional
And my juniors have been promoted. And I have rendered 18 years service. They are stating that I was not eligible for promotions. But the persons who have rendered 8 years of service, they have been promoted. My limited.
Here, Watchman, Mr. Burma was appearing for State Legislative Assembly. Just now I contact him to come, but he said that he is no more in the panel. So let me ascertain whether somebody is there or
separate panel.
Yes.
It is appearing, generally Mr. Shubit Pali, senior counsel is appearing for
Whether
legislative.
some panel is there or we'll argue the case. Or if
You
we
take instruction.
Yes.
If anybody.
And let us copy of the rejoinder.
Get a copy ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. So let
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ brief ବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ରହିଯାଇଛି.
On concept of the state, Mr. Mond is directed to find out who is the counsel for the
State
legislative assembly, and accordingly he may be served a copy by the petitioner. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ସେ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେବେ
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି.
And a copy of the petition may be served on Mr. Mond to hand over the same to the concerned counsel. Okay.
This is a bulk.
Okay, within 2 days. either photocopy ଗୋଟେ କରିକି ସେଟା ଦେଇଦେବେ ଗଲା ଆଉ list the matter on 1st February.
February.
Next.
Item 56.
56. 56. You are there? You for the?
I'm for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Yes.
What is the case?
My case is that I have given a petition for compensation to the railway administration.
For what?
On account of the
Unmanned.
untoward incident, that is.
What happened? Tell me.
The person was, the one incident took place near Kachajodi.
କଣ ହେଲା ସେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଅଣ୍ଟୁଆଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ପାଇବା ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ନା
because of the medical negligence of the railway administration, the incident took place near Kachajodi.
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମତେ କହିଲେ ରେଲୱେ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ର ରୋଲ କଣ କୋଉଠି ସେ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କହିଲେ ସିନା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି ସେ ରେଲୱେ
incident took place near Kachajodi.
କାଠଯୋଡି କଣ
Kachajodi railway station.
ହଁ ସେ କହିବେ ନା କାଠଯୋଡି ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ କାଠଯୋଡି ବିଲ୍ ବୁଝିବି ନା କହିବେ କାଠଯୋଡି ରେଲୱେ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ହଁ ମୁଁ କାଠଯୋଡି ବୋଲେ ହେଟା ବୁଝୁଛି କାଠଯୋଡି ନରାଜ ପାଖରେ ଯାଉଛି
Kachajodi railway station. As per the rule, immediate after
କଣ ହେଲା ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ
the person met an accident. The person met an accident.
Met an accident where?
Near
ଗଛରେ କୁଣ୍ଟରେ ପଥରରେ ବାଡେଇଲା କୋଉଠି ବାଡେଇଲା?
He fell down from the train.
ସେ କହିବେ ନା ଏତେ ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ? He fell down from the train straight କହିବେ met with an accident फिर ପଚାରିଲେ ଆଉ ଥରେ କୋଉ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରେ କ୍ଲାରିଟି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ?
He fell down from the train.
He fell down from the train. Okay. Running train?
Yes.
Okay, running train.
It is Tinsukia Bangalore Express.
Okay.
And as per the rule, he should be, and he was injured. And the train stopped.
As per the rule, he was injured.
Right. He was injured. After the train halted at the station, the driver and the guard both found him in the injured condition. As per the rule, he should be shifted to the nearest hospital.
Apna railway staff?
No, Lordship.
So driver and the guard come out?
Driver, as per from the report of the, I have got the report through RTI.
अरे सर कौन है कि फैक्ट से कहंतु रिपोर्ट आते पछे कहबे आगो कौन है जे तो कहंतु आपण पढि गले
They have
आपण गार्ड और ड्राइवर कौन कहले
they have shifted me instead of shifting me to the SCB medical quarter. They have shifted me to the Bhubaneswar capital hospital. I am grievously injured. My head was injured, and during my shifting, I lost my life.
You lost your life?
Yes.
আসলে ঠিক কিন্তু
They
lost
my
Who lost
client-
their life?
My client's husband lost my
সে কইবে না I lost my life petitioner তো lost আসি পারিবনি I lost my life
my
বুঝନ୍ତି
client
client's husband
lost
okay
his life.
you're the petitioner husband
Yes, Lord.
কোন petitioner husband
Husband lost his life.
okay so
And,
that's why you want compensation
Yes, Lord.
so any I mean so you say there is a negligence.
Yes, the negligence is that as per the
Their nearest hospital was their SCB, but
Yes,
why should they took to capital
Yes,
hospital?
yes. As per the
SCB ନେଲେ ଭଲ କଲେ SCB ରେ ସେମିତି ବଜି ଥାନ୍ତା ଏଦି ସେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଞ୍ଚିଲା SCB ସେମିତି ବଜି ଥାନ୍ତା near the Kathajodi station.
Yes.
And he was taken by the guard and the driver to the hospital which was nearer to SCB, and SCB was nearer, but he was taken to the capital.
Bhubaneswar.
I was telling him he did the right decision because otherwise मरी जाइथांदा SCB रे से आशा कला सेठी बंची जीव बोले नेगिरी गला बेचारा
His attempt of suicide.
suicide.
Yes. The case of attempt of suicide. Anyhow, they have rescued and taken her to the hospital, Bhubaneswar, because
They are good Samaritan. They are the good Samaritan, sir. आपण नेगिरी गले एते बडा कथा आपण देखि झपे एबे रेलवे स्टेशन रे की काण करबा
because train cannot move back. Train will go towards Bhubaneswar. So though he was rescued and taken to the Bhubaneswar, then there is a treatment of this him. So for the for
very
it is not a,
their mistakes, sir. They were the good Samaritan. बंची जेतले तो आपण तांको तो थैंक यू भी कहि न थांते मरी गला पर कंपनसेशन मागु छथि एक तो डीबे आपण निजर को पर्सनल लाइफ रो फ्रस्ट्रेशन से रेलवे रे उतारिबे आ बेचारा रेलवे वाला को तो आपण दोष देबे
let's say they have admitted the matter.
what admitted they have not admitted anywhere.
Yes, let's say
कोड एडमिट कर मते कहले
their own report.
कोन कहछन्ती
Page number 36 of the
सर आपण भाबनु तो मु पढिनी बोली भाबंतुनी कोड एडमिट देखले मते कोड
let's say the page number 36 of my repetition. Last para.
आपण रिट पिटिशन आपण तांकर जो रिप्लाई रे
They are
पेज 36 देखिया कोन लिखिसंती
their report.
फाळे फाळे
report.
आरटी
RPF. Railway
मोले अच्छा
Protection
रेलवे
Force.
मोले
Last
आरटी कोन कहउछन्ती बोलछली सॉरी सर
Last para.
what generally in practice.
पेज
what
पेज 30
6.
36.
कोन लिखा जी पढ़ले
During the entire
एटा
inquiry.
कोड पढुछन्ती आपण
Last paragraph टा पढ़.
Last paragraph.
ओके ड्यूरिंग द
Entire inquiry that on dated the incident on duty train guard shifted the injured person to Bhubaneswar for necessary treatment because of the untoward incident occurred at railway at kilometer number so and so between Cuttack and Barangar station. On
सर एटी कोड लिखिला जे ए पर्सन टा आसिक जणे लोक ये सेमाने नै गेले सेटा से आ कोन लिखाइ जे अधिक
they felt
कोड लिखाइ जे ये फेल डाउन कोन के लिखिला
the untoward incident
अनटोन इसे एथि पे लिखि दा कोन सुसाइड करथिला बोली लिखंते की
Thereafter written. Thereafter Lordship Messi page 40. Page 40 conclusion Lordship Messi on
जे
conclusion
रेलवे लाइन
investigation.
जे एंदी सी सुसाइड करके मरिबो ता पे किछि सिंपैथी
नहीं
शुड डाई बेटर धरती का बोझ है खत्म
yes Lordship I
आ गण जे रेलवे लाइन गला से ताकि कमे रेलवे वाला कमिशन देबे
let's say the meaning of the untoward incident as per the 120.
अरे भाई एते अनटोवर्ड इंसिडेंट वाला ताको
That
बुझेबे
is my friend's clarification. I am just clarifying code. Lordship Messi come to page 38. Page 38.
यस
There is an investigation report dated 28/12/2021. He has cited this document on 2022. That is page 36. But
मिस्टर
in-
सर हेलो सर लास्ट बेंच मिस्टर व्हाट आर यू डूइंग हियर प्लीज गो आउट कौन एठी गप खाना बने देनी कोर्ट को साथ देखंतु
Initially, they have written the same. Let's see the conclusion. During the entire inquiry, on the basis of documentary evidences collected, facts and circumstances, the inquiry officer reached at the point of conclusion that the incident occurred is totally based on the side of deceased. And it is clearly a case of trespassing and dashed with that running train.
କିଏ କଣ କରିବ sir? ଏଥିରେ କିଛି କରିବେନି।
Lordship, they are
What are
all-
the-
Lordship, they are all-
Tell me
commit suicide by the railway track.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଯଦି ବି ସପୋଜ ଆପଣ ଯାଇକିରି ରାସ୍ତା କ୍ରସ୍ କରୁଥିବେ ଟ୍ରେନ ଆପଣ ଟିକେଟ ଥିବ ପଡିଯିବେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଏ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଇସ୍ୟୁ।
Yes.
ଆପଣ ଟ୍ରେନ ଚାଲୁଥିବେ କ୍ରସ୍ ଯାଇକିରି ଯଦି ସପୋଜ ବାଇ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ବାଡେଇ ବି ହେଲେ ତଥାପି ଟ୍ରେନ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବଲ ନୁହେଁ କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଟ୍ରେନରେ
No, in this case, this is a
ଆପଣ
case of
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
taxi.
ଟିକେଟ ଥିଲା
In
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
this case,
ଟିକେଟ ଥିଲା
Lord,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟିକେଟ
let's say I am a sole passenger who is moving with my relatives are at the house.
ପୁଅର ପାସେଞ୍ଜର ଟିକେଟ ନହେଲେ ଏଟା କିଛି ମିଳେନି।
Lordship, the
ରୁଲ
body,
କହୁଛି ଟିକେଟ ଆପଣ ନଥିବେ ବୋଲି କିଛି
the
ମିଳିବନି।
body is in the custody of the railway, and
ଭଗବାନ,
they are shifting
ଆପଣ
the.
ବୁଝନ୍ତିନି
It
କି
may be lost.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ବଡି କୋଷ୍ଟରେ ନହନ୍ତା ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ରହନ୍ତା କି ଯଦି
Lordship, it may be lost during the transport from the spot.
କିଛି ହେବନି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେସ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
Lordship, my submission.
ସରି ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସବମିଶନ ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ
Lordship,
ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ
my-
ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ଡୁଇଂ
Only if I
Nothing.
can.
ସାର୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ନୋ କେସ୍ ଏଟ୍ ଅଲ୍।
Lordship,
ଆପଣ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆପଣ ସୁସାଇଡ୍ ଯଦି ସୁସାଇଡ୍ କରି ନଥିବେ ବି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମାନେ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ସୁସାଇଡ୍ ତାଙ୍କ କଥା ରଙ୍ଗ
Yes.
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ରେଲୱେରେ ଚାଲିଲା ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରସ୍ କାହିଁ କରୁଥିଲେ ଆଚ୍ଛା କ୍ରସ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କ୍ରସ୍ ବି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଟା ବି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ
Yes.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗାଡିରୁ ପଡିଲେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଟିକେଟ କାହିଁ
Lordship, my submission.
ଆପଣ ଟିକେଟ ଥିଲା
My submission is
ହଁ
in Railway Act.
ହଁ
It has been clearly written. what is
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
untoward-
ରେଲୱେ ଆକ୍ଟ କ୍ଲିୟରଲି କହିଲେ ହବନି ପଢିବେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ
untoward incident
ହଁ
means
ହଁ
a passenger fall down from the running train.
ରନିଂ ଟ୍ରେନ୍
Yes.
ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫଲ୍ଡର ଯଦି ରନିଂ ଟ୍ରେନରେ ପଡିଯିବ ଆପଣ ପ୍ୟାସେଞ୍ଜର କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଟିକେଟ ଦରକାର
Lord-
ବିନା ଟିକେଟ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ପ୍ୟାସେଞ୍ଜର
Nay, they may write this is not a case of untoward.
ସାର୍ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଟେଲିଂ ୟୁ ବିନା ଟିକେଟ ଯଦି ଅଣ୍ଟୁଆର୍ଡ ସେମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବି ବିନା ଟିକେଟରେ ଆପଣ ଟିକେଟ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପକେଟରେ ଟିକେଟ ବାହାରିଲା କି କଣ ହେଲା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
Lordship, my body is in the custody of the railway. How can it?
ଏବେ ଆଉ କଣ ବଡି ରଖିଥିବେ ଏତେ ଦିନ ରଖିଥିବେ
Nay, it is the ticket may be lost during the shifting.
ହଁ ମେ ବି ରେ ହବନି
Lordship,
you have to prove that you are a
The
passenger
time of proceedings, they must have proved
ସାର୍
this.
କେତେ ଏମିତି ଲୋକ ଯାଇ ସବୁ ରେଲୱେ ଦେଇପାରିବନି
Nay, Lordship, I am not.
They have also see you have to be humanly not possible in this.
Lordship, if it is not a case of untoward incident, I have no case. If it is
You have no case already I've
Lordship, this
said
is a case of untoward incident.
you have to prove
Yes.
that you are either a passenger
That's why it
or you are
is
a
proper on the part to approve the RCT instead of railway claim tribunal.
ସାର୍ ସେଠି ବି ସେଠି ହଁ ରେଲୱେ କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି
ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇ
ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯଦି ପ୍ୟାସେଞ୍ଜର ତାର ରେଲୱେ କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଯିବେ ଏଠି କାହିଁ ଆସିବେ
Lordship, my
The
submission.
High
is
Court
that
has given some order that
ମୁଁ କହିବା କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
Yes.
if you are a genuine passenger you have a genuine claim you should get it
yes,
I am with you but ଆପଣ either ଧରନ୍ତୁ genuine claim ହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଟିକେଟ ଦରକାର
Yes.
ପ୍ୟାସେଞ୍ଜର ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଟିକେଟ ଦରକାର ନା ନାହିଁ
Yes, Lordship.
ସେ ଜେନେରାଲ ଟିକେଟ ହଉ କି ରିଜର୍ଭ ଟିକେଟ ହଉ ଯାହା ବି ଗୋଟେ ଟିକେଟ ଦରକାର
Yes, Lordship.
ତ ଯଦି ଟିକେଟ ଅଛି ପ୍ୟାସେଞ୍ଜର ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରେଲୱେ କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁନାଲ ଅଛି ତା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସେଠି ଯାଇକି କ୍ଲେମ୍ କରିପାରିବେ
Yes, Lordship.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଯଦି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସପୋଜ ଟ୍ରେନ ଆସୁଛି କ୍ରସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବାଜିଗଲା ମରିଗଲେ କି ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି ଟ୍ରେନ ହଠାତ୍ ପଳେଇ ହେଲା ରେଲୱେ କ୍ରସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମରିଗଲେ
I agree with you.
କିମ୍ବା
All the points.
ଟ୍ରେନରୁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ
I agree with you, Lord.
ହଁ କିମ୍ବା ଟ୍ରେନକୁ ଯାଇକିରି ମରିବା ପାଇଁ ଉଦ୍ୟମ କଲେ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ ଟ୍ରେନ ରେଲୱେ ଅଥରିଟି କାଣ୍ଟ ଟେକ୍ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି
I agree with you, Lordship. My submission is that it is their own admission that this is a case of untoward incident. The railway has admitted. It is in their own report. It is not my report. It is the report of the Indian Railway that this is.
So
a
what do
case
you
of
mean
untoward
untoward
incident.
incident, Mr. Padhi?
Untoward.
what happening, generally police has given a report finally, RPF persons, they have written what paragraph is written because even though it is suicidal or any attempt, they are claiming that it is untoward incident occurred by this deceased.
But they should have clarified na sir. He is right.
That's why I am said.
I see definition of
My lord, that's why I am said. What I am said, it is a matter of dispute. Once a dispute arises, the railway claim tribunal is the competent place where they can adduce the evidence. Who ticket kinithila, kemiti heitila, whether it is or not. Two persons can be giving evidence here. There is no such thing is available here. So read court cannot pass any order.
read
I admit, Lordship, it is a fact that the railway has admitted that.
Sir, it is not nothing else. You go to railway claim tribunal if you have any claim.
No,
The petitioner, the petitioner.
I may be too.
No. The petitioner is directed to approach the railway claim tribunal if he has any claim. And where he will get the chance to abuse the evidence to prove that it is an untoward incident.
Lordship, my submission is that the railway has, it is undisputed that the railway has admitted that this is a.
Sir, read court decide capacity nahi can prove prove tribunal.
They have admitted the fact.
That they have admitted.
We have disputed the rejoinder. We file the rejoinder. We have disputed.
ଆପଣ sir ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଠିକି ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର case
As per the direction, I will.
and the railway claim the said tribunal shall consider the delay aspect liberally.
My submission is that the documents they have, I have another scope. Lordship, my submission is
Sir,
that.
read ଆପଣ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ read court has a limitation. Right on ଏମିତି ଯୋଉଟା disputed facts ଥିବ
Untoward incident is admitted.
evidence lead କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ସେଠି ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଏ court ରେ କେମିତି କରିବି?
Lordship, untoward incident is admitted.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଏତେ ମୁଁ definition ଦେଇ ପାରିବିନି ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଯିବାର ଅଛି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ dismiss କଲି ଖତମ. Read court can't enter into all the disputed facts. ଆପଣ ସତରେ ମରିଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି ମଲେ କଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି? ଆପଣ ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ସୁଇସାଇଡ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି? How do you know that?
In case of suicide, they will write.
Since there is disputed facts involved in the case, this court is not competent to decide the case since it requires leading of evidence. According to the tribunal is the competent court to decide this. The petitioner is granted liberty to approach the tribunal, and the tribunal shall condone the delay liberally.
Examination and pass.
They will do that. I am ready to more than willing. I have what is 101% sympathy for you.
They have admitted my.
Sir, admitted when is sympathy.
They admitted that they have.
Say rejoinder counter admitted. It alga jinsa.
Nahi.
This is factual. There is a dispute.
Lordship, factual is that. On the RTI report, it is their own.
Sir, RTI report को तो मैं और just आजकल जेल RTI report कोर्ट में धरे ऐसे मिछ पूरे दूसरे दिया डिग्री दो चार्टा में धर लेनी RTI report न कहले भलो RTI report तो आपण न कहलेटा भलो आपण RTI report आजकल एक फैशन है गलानी जहाँ ले RTI report RTI से इंटरनेशनल कमीशन बसी दिला कौन केंद्र मला से कहि दबो नहीं आपण ये
RTI report
सेट सब जानतो सेट देखाबे जहाँ अछि सेट देखंतु सब देखंतु सेट ट्राइब्यूनल रे I am not competent to decide all these kind of cases. These are disputed facts. Read ର ଗୋଟେ limitation ଅଛି ନା ନାହିଁ? ଆද फिर ଆପଣ ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି କରି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି
let them be directed.
No, nothing. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଡିରେକ୍ସନ କଲି ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କାଇଁ ଡିରେକ୍ସନ କରିବି ମୁଁ? ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ସେମାନେ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ.
Untoward incident admit କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇଟା ସେଠି କହିବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ. ଏବେ ଆଉ ଅଲ୍ଟରନେଟିଭ ରେମେଡି ନାହିଁ ଏଠି. ଗୋଟେ ରେମେଡି ଆପଣ ପଠେଇ ଦେବେ ସେଠି.
ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବେ.
ଏ କଣ ଏଟା? You should try to understand. I have full sympathy on the death of the person. I have sympathy that you have taken a right cause. I have found everything, but at the same time, I am helpless. I can't decide the disputed facts. Okay, next.
Item 57.
57. What is it? Petitioner. मेरू सागर सामंतराय
नहीं मेलोकी दिशत गुच्छा है दीपक गुच्छा
गोछात आपन ना कोन संबित दा संबित दाना लिख इरे के ये पिटिशनर पे नांती के आपन का पे
मु
इन्फॉर्मेंट पे इरे कोन केस थिला
सेटा बेल योर लॉर्डशिप हैज रिजेक्टेड
बेल
नो
बेल पिटिशन नाही सर
एबे वर्तमान अक्यूज स्टेटमेंट सरी गलानी खाली
पिटिशन आसु देख नोबडी देयर
आ गोटे दिन को रखिए
हां आई एम फिक्सिंग इट ऑन 10th आसु 10th आपण कंफर्टेबल तो हां नेक्स्ट
item 60
items may please in item 60 I am filing a rejoinder to their counter. Last occasion my learned senior has filed a counter, so
कॉपी दियंतु ताकू
again
काउंटर दिन दे एफिडेविट देजी
से एफिडेविट मोड रिजेंडर दोची काई ना गोटे डिस्प्यूटेड फैक्ट सेथरे आनिचन सेटा खाली
ଆପଣ
Facts tak sir dispute କେମିତି ହୁଏ? Truth is
Fact-
fact only. Facts cannot be
Fact-
disputed.
No, he's saying disputed facts.
No, how can someone
Disputed.
dispute a fact? Fact is always true.
No, fact is true. Sometimes when the
As a
Admitted fact.
presented in court, it becomes disputed often. That is
That's
always
normally
fact.
what we use, but that possibly that is not.
The-
Anyway,
company-
এটা কেবে কালি আসিବ?
Next week any date if let's say.
10th, 11,
11.
11. ठीक है 11. Will be there.
এটা ସେ ଯୋଉ ରୋଡ ସାର୍ ବିଡିଏ କୁ ପଠେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ମିଡିଏସନ ପାଇଁ
Oh, अच्छा.
ଆସୁ 11 doesn't matter.
ସେ ଇଏ ସେ ରାସ୍ତା ନେଇକିରି ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମିଡିଏସନ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଇଲା ବୋଧେ
Medicine report ବି tag
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଛି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସେଥିରେ
You
ମଧ୍ୟ
have seen that report? Have you seen that report?
I have copy has been given to me.
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି
But I
report?
have
କଣ
not-
ଲେଖିଛି? କଣ ଲେଖିଛି?
Well, I have
ଦେଖିବାକୁ
not
ମୋର
been
ମନେ ପଡୁନି କଣ।
supplied any copy.
କପି ସେଦିନ ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ମୋଠୁ ନେଇଯିବ ନହେଲେ xerox।
ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ
Petitioner ପାଇଁ।
ସେ ସାର୍ ପିଟିସନ
ପିଟିସନ ନା ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କପି ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ copy ଦେଇ
ଆପଣ କଣ ଘରକୁ ଯାଇକି ମାଳା
ନାଇଁ।
ଦେଇକି ଦେବେ ନା କଣ
ନାଇଁ।
କପି
ନେଇଯିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମାଗିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଘରକୁ ନେଇକି ଦେବେ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ ଦେବେ ଯଦି କାଲି ମାଳାଟେ ନେଇକି ଆସିବ ଦେବେ ହେଲା ଆଜି
I'm
ଦେବେ
sorry.
କାଲି ଦେବେ ମାଳାଟେ ପିନ୍ଧି ଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି କହିବେ ହଁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅନ୍ 11th ଠିକ ଅଛି
11th
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Deep.
କପିଟେ ନେଇଯିବେ ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଫଟୋ କପି ଦେଇଦେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ମାଗିଦେବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଇଗଲା ଓକେ ଓକେ